South Florida sunshine, palm trees lie, perfect smile, practice cry. Red dress walking into court, every glance says less than more. New husband, short honeymoon, whispers blooming way too soon. Phones light up at 2 a.m., promises written, erase, amen. She says it was a movie scene, but the script was way too clean. Every word began to drip when detectives hit record and hit play. Text messages and red flags, love letters turning into body bags. She says it was all pretend, but pretend don't pay a hitman. Lipstick, lies, and camera light. Reality TV meets real life night. Say it once, say it twice. The truth don't bend when the tapes play nice. Undercover with a wire tight, listening quiet, letting her talk all night. Is he dead? Slips out too fast. Future plans while the present cracks. She flips the switch, she plays a role. Victim voice, then full control. Tears on cue, mascara rain, but the timeline won't explain. Rehearse shock, a practice gas, hands too steady, answers fast. Every version slightly shifts while the jury reads between the script. Text messages and red flags, smiling while she does the math. She says it was all pretend, but pretend don't hire a friend. Gold hoops, heels, and courtroom sound. Every line leaves fingerprints around. Say it once, say it twice. Truth don't blink under cross-exam lights.
Good evening. I had to think what day it was, Gabby.
Text messages, red flags.
Well, right before we started, Gabby said, I thought it was Wednesday. I'm like, then when
I did.
I'm like, now what day is it? It's Tuesday.
Yep.
Tuesday. Thank you for the raid, Squid. Appreciate it. Thank you, Heidel. What's up, Bad Dazzer? Nice to see you. Good evening to you, sir. Snipe, glad you survived putting your bidet in or dentistry.
Oh, you got
whatever
it
you
in?
were doing. I don't know. I have no idea.
Oh.
You guys started all the bidet stuff. I'm just running with it. Not the bidet. I'm not running with the bidet. And I'm not even, because I don't do that. But hello, Carmen. I've talked to you all day, and I know Gabby hasn't either. Good to see you. Cheyenne, I hope you feel better.
Oh, Cheyenne's sick.
No, she had to have a procedure done on her neck yesterday.
Okay. Yeah, definitely feel better.
Not feeling real good. Very good.
Aw.
What's up, Ronnie? Good to see you. I will get back to the Shake It, Magic 8 Ball when this trial is over, or maybe before. I haven't quite decided.
When I hear that again, I'm going to be like jumping up and down, dancing in the room. Although I am getting used to text messages and red flags.
Hello, Deidre. Good to see you. Hope you are well. It is the first day of Indiana being national champs. Went from nobody believing to them saying basically suck it. So that game was way too close for my comfort, but it ended the way I wanted it to. So I also fell asleep during some of it. So
I did see that they won. That was pretty cool, huh?
Wow. I hope you looked at your kid and said, y'all. No. No. I have to go make sure these people behave. Yes, they did win. I was asleep. I fell asleep after halftime, and I woke up to the announcer like yelling, and I was like, please say Indiana, please say Indiana. And he did. And I was like, okay, I'll open my eyes. You're welcome. Sincerely, Ohio State. I have to, well, don't bait me. Don't do it. Yes, Carmen did pass her jail school. She's all good. Shut up,
Heck
Carmen.
yeah.
She wanted me to say geekin'. Okay,
Why?
I said it. because I was like, what the heck does that mean? She goes, I don't know. We got that word from you. I'm like, you didn't get that from me, because if my generation said it, we were probably talking about somebody being a nerd. Not
Oh.
everything you just listed.
Well,
I
it does mean a few things, actually,
Well,
depending
I
on how
had
you
no
say
idea.
it.
Well, I probably did. You say
Huh?
I'm reading Midwest chat.
Congratulations, Screw.
I don't know
Nice.
what that means.
Solid. I like it.
Midwest.
Right to the point.
Y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm dying. I'm dying. She never says stuff like that.
It's probably a typo.
It's hilarious. Okay. Yeah. All right. So if you do see anything moving behind me, um, the only dog that's brave enough to come down into what Iris would call my demon ridden basement is Hera. So she's laying behind me for now. We'll see if she
Yeah.
stays here or not. But so there's nothing getting me if you see anything moving behind me. I doused all the holy water and all the words that Iris said. You didn't get the point of this stream, to be honest.
He's a pencil.
I see it. I see it. I thought that was a horse behind you. Nope, that would be weird. Did you have grazers at your school? I think that was a grazer. What the heck is that? I have no idea. Snipe. I don't know. Yes. What's up, side?
Grazer. I'm not Googling anything anymore.
I'm not Googling anything. I learned
Hey,
my
side
lesson.
Yeah.
No idea. All right, guys. So we are done with Mike Dippolito. I had to give you oh, that's her. Bye. One more sniff, because I know you didn't hear him sniffling and sniffing and whatever he was doing enough on the stand. He's done. He's gone. He has exited. He's still under subpoena, so he could be back. Today we are going to hear from three law enforcement officers. One of them is, I know he went to the Ritz, Carlton. I think he's the first one that we're going to listen to. There's one, I swear he looks like he just came from elementary school. He looks like he's 12. He's the last one.
Mr. Sniffany.
Mr. Sniffalito. What does my shirt say? It says Hunter's Honey Farm. Carmen.
I was going to say the same thing that Heidel said. Hunt
Hunt
honey.
honey. It does not say hunt honey. That would be a totally different meaning. It is a local honey farm that's not too far away from me. And I like their honey. So I bought their shirt and I bought their sweatshirt. So sniff me this, sniffle me this, sniffle me that. I don't want to. So anyway, so we are doing the Dalia Dippolito trial from 2011. She had 3 trials. This is her first one, and we are watching this one and only this one because it's the only one that is available that I know of. And plus, I can tell you after we're done with this one, I'm going to be done with her and this trial because holy crap. We had her alleged victim and ex-husband, Mike Dippolito, on the stand for what seemed like forever. He is finally done. I don't know how those two could walk together at the same time and not just keep running into each other repeatedly and not figure out why. Like, don't give either one of them a piece of gum and ask them to walk and chew it because it's not happening. See you, Carmen.
Bye, Carmen.
Move your hair. Okay. See, it says Hunter's Honey Farm. Sorry. Hunter's Honey Farm. And then there's a B. There we go. Dalia is accused of hiring a hitman to unalive her husband of not very long. I don't even think I don't think they made it a year. They
No,
met.
it was like 8 months, right, or something?
Yeah, it wasn't even because they got married in February of 2009. He got divorced in January 2009. They met in the fall of 2008. Then he gets divorced. They got married in February, and she tried to off him in the fall of 2009. So she didn't wait very long. She's like, that is not a booby. That's what you say if you want to scare a bee. Booby. So she tried to allegedly off him. And when the police I'm sorry, has anybody, well, I'm sure they have. They went and talked to a hitman and it not be an undercover cop. She held out longer than you could.
Facts.
You do come with some truth. I didn't see it. Snipe, where is it? When the guy who smoked on the other side of the street from the school had their larger girlfriend standing around them on the grass, that was a grazer. Good grief. What's up, whoever? I just saw you.
Well,
I don't know. I don't know what that. Yeah, I don't know. I can't say anything. I'm trying to keep my thoughts together, and they're not. Anyway, Dalia ended up on an episode of Cops, and so her whole reaction and all of that stuff was caught on their video because they were filming that day in that area of Florida. So that local law enforcement reached out to cops and was like, hey, you want to come film something? And they said yes. Then supposedly Mr. Dippolito was trying to get a reality show started because he really loved Jersey Shore. I have no idea. These two, I don't know. They were flush with money in ways that I probably don't even want to know how they stayed that way. They had no problem with money. I mean, he was handing out thousands and thousands of dollars and no idea where it was going. He had no idea. He handed her $100,000 allegedly to go for her to put with her $91,000 that he didn't even know if she had or not to go pay off his probation because he was going to be on probation for 28 years. He might still be on probation. I have no idea.
I mean,
Yeah,
someone
hasn't been
should definitely
28
check in on him.
Yes. He supposedly, what we looked up last week, is a millionaire still. So we tried to learn how to get rich without going to prison or being on probation for 28 years, and we still can't figure out how he was making all his money. He almost said he went to school for fraud. That's probably true, but
Correct, he did.
He went to prison. Went to prison for fraud. Sorry. I don't know where that came from. He went to prison for fraud. He owed $191,000 in restitution. Dalia, that sweet little angel, was supposed to go pay it with the $100,000 that he gave her and the $91,000 that she was going to add to it, but she didn't. And all this weird stuff starts happening. He is told to go hand this paperwork to this attorney that's going to meet them on the steps on I think in Miami on the courthouse steps. We listened to that guy yesterday. He was iffy, to say the least. He just goes up to him, doesn't ask who he is, doesn't ask anything, and Mike Dippolito just hands him these papers and walks away. And then he can't figure out why his life is such a mess. Like, you ask no questions, you look at nothing. Your wife gave you a cashier's check that was supposedly for the $191,000 You hand it to your attorney, he hands it back to you and says, that's $191. Like, I don't understand this guy. He is
I don't
so
think any
mad.
of them can read
I don't either. I mean,
or write.
yeah, I have no idea what is going on with this guy. How he is making as much money as he still apparently is, I have no idea. It seemed as though he was on something yesterday while he was on the stand. Um, the the guy sniffling was crazy, but then he just like when cross-examination ends, he just starts blinking and he's sweating and he clearly he's struggling back with the prosecutor. I don't know. I can't say. I'm just like I don't know. Yes, he was basically the male Oprah. You get
Mm.
thousands and you get thousands and you get thousands and I get a new Porsche and a vet and a townhouse. Can't I have to pay cash for them all, but I can't be on the paperwork for them because they can't know probation can't know I have this money. I'm going to sit up on the stand and make all these admissions to violating my probation that I'm still on at this time and nothing's going to happen. It's really frustrating. I'm sorry, John. Your trials have the most unbearable prosecution witnesses, Mike D. Buchanan, and the freaks from Alaska.
Oh yeah, the freaks from Alaska.
That whole trial was a mess.
Yeah, it was.
That's a mess. It was awful. And John, we're just getting started. We are just going to we're just getting started. What's up, Miss McPickle Pounder? But he can't read. I know he can't read, Bobby Dave. Okay, so
PDB.
have I caught up? I think I've caught up. Oh, Flashman. What's up, Flashman? Sorry, didn't
Hey,
mean to miss you.
Flashman.
Okay. Yeah, who knew there was rednecks in Alaska? I think they're everywhere. Do you think he has time to poop? I have no idea. Maybe that was what his problem was. He's like, I really got to go to the bathroom. What is this sensation? I have no idea. So I'll blink. I'll just blink. So today we have, I think 3 or 4 law enforcement officers. I think maybe I told you this. Yes, I did start off with that, I believe. Or I told Gabby. I don't know.
You told me, yeah.
Okay. We've got the guy from the Ritz-Carlton. I don't know where the second officer is from. There's a woman. I'm just telling you right now, you're not going to know she's a woman.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm positive. And then we have the young boy that looks like he had to get a note from his mom to miss school that day. So I can't. This trial, I'm telling you. I don't know what is that attorney doing?
It looks like he's picking his teeth.
It
Like he's got a toothpick or something.
It's like, and Dalia's sitting there with a weird look. And why is her attorney looking down and smiling?
Yeah, he's like,
Yeah.
there's boobs.
Boobs. Is that a boob bee? They are woodsy rednecks. It's Heidel. It's backward hicks up there. She knows. She knows. I did not say she was one. Yes, Dog Mom did insinuate that Mike Dippolito is still on Florida's radar. And that her defense attorney here might be at a bar somewhere. So there's that. Oh, the Cuba guy was the guy that said he worked at a luggage store, but he was the one who Dalia's mom asked him to meet Mike, and I'm going to assume Dalia on the courthouse squares, courthouse squares. That's what we have here is courthouse squares, the courthouse steps, and just get some paper from him. So nobody looked at the paper. He kept the paper because he thought it was weird because her mom didn't want the paper, and then he just threw it away without looking at it. Like, who didn't? You know you're going to look at it at some point. So do they add corrupting a minor to the charge? I don't. They should. Oh my gosh. Flashman, I hope you feel better, dude. Allergies suck. Just ask Mike Dippolito. I meant head, not mouth, so it ruined your entire comment. I don't know what you said. I don't know what you said, Snipe, so it's all good. Oh, and Dave's not here. But Bobby, Dave Bologna, you better be here. You better be here at the end.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just telling you, you better stick around tonight. Don't be putting steaks in trash bags.
Yeah, that's craziness.
It's weird. You sniffing a lot? I'm not sniffing a lot. Here we go.
State, ready to proceed?
Officer Paul Williams,
Okay.
do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do. Please be seated. Make yourself
Oh,
comfortable.
we're going to hear from the other one.
Good afternoon. Please tell us your name.
Paul Williams.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Ms. Burkhart, you may proceed.
Good afternoon, Officer Williams. If you could introduce yourself to the jury and spell your last name for the record.
Okay, my name is Paul Williams. Last name is Williams.
And where do you work?
I work for Manalapan Police Department,
And how long have you been with the city of Manalapan?
approximately 3 years,
Any prior law enforcement experience?
about 32 years prior.
And where was that?
Chronological order, I started with the State Attorney's Office, 20th Circuit as an investigator.
I know what you're looking at.
1977. Worked in South Miami Police Department in 1980. Miami Springs Police Department in 1984. Worked for the State Insurance Fraud Division as an investigator, lieutenant, and a captain up until 2001. Worked for School District of Palm Beach County for about 6 years following that.
Okay, so you've got a wide variety of things you've done.
Yes.
What are your duties currently at Manalapan Police Department?
I am a shift leader, patrol officer.
Okay, and were you working on March 16th of 2009?
Yes,
What were your duties that day?
patrol officer.
Okay, and when you say patrol officer, just so the jury understands, what do you do?
Manalapan's a small island residential community, and it's just patrol duties, protect and serve the public.
Okay, and at some point that day, did you respond to the Ritz-Carlton in Manalapan?
Yes, I did.
And do you recall approximately what time that was?
Approximately 10 in the morning, 10:04, I think it was.
And do you recall if you just went there on your own, or were you dispatched to the location?
I was dispatched to that location.
And do you remember the basis of the call?
Dispatch had received an anonymous complaint. The caller only gave the first name of Sandy, alleged that there was an individual dealing drugs out of a vehicle in front of the Ritz-Carlton.
And to your knowledge, was there a description of the vehicle given or any identifying information?
Yes, it gave the tag number and the an SUV, a large Chevy SUV.
Okay, now when you responded to the Ritz-Carlton, what was the first thing that you did?
I made contact with the valets because the vehicle was in the front, and I wanted to identify who would be the owner of the vehicle.
Okay, so let me ask you this. You said the vehicle was in the front. When you first pulled into the Ritz-Carlton, did you immediately realize that was the same vehicle that the call was in regards to?
There was a vehicle there that met the description, and I contacted the valet to see who belonged to.
Okay, and did you compare the tag numbers to make sure that it was the same?
It was.
Okay, and when you got to the valet, did he, well, let me ask you this. Did you speak with the valet?
I spoke with the valet, yes.
Okay, after you spoke with the valet, what did you do?
The valet advised me that they just brought the car.
You're saying it's to the valet, what he said.
Sustain.
Okay, without telling me what the valet did you at any point go inside the hotel?
Just into the front lobby area.
Okay. And did you meet anyone named Sandy?
No.
And was it crowded or empty inside the hotel?
There's quite a bit of activity in the hotel just about any time of the day.
Okay. Now, this vehicle, where exactly was it located? This Chevy SUV?
It was in the front. There's a parking area where the valets bring the vehicles for the owners to pick up, and it was towards the front of the hotel.
Okay. To your knowledge, had it just been brought up by the valets?
According to the valet, yes.
Okay. And were you able to determine who the vehicle belonged to?
Yes.
And to your knowledge, who was that?
Well, it was being driven by Mr. Dippolito.
Okay. And was he anywhere in the vicinity?
Yes, I made contact with him.
Okay. Where was he?
He was coming out to collect his vehicle.
Okay. Was there anyone with him?
There was a female with him.
And do you know that her relation to him?
I believe it was his wife.
Okay. Have you later learned that that person that was with him is actually a defendant in this case?
Yes.
Okay. And when you met with Mr. Dippolito, did you request anything of him?
I informed him of what the allegation was,
Okay.
that there's an allegation that someone or he or someone was dealing drugs out of the vehicle.
Okay. And did you ever request permission to search his vehicle?
I did.
And did he give you that permission?
He did.
And did he immediately give you permission?
He seemed shocked, said, sure, I'm not hiding anything. I believe is what he said.
Okay.
Something to that effect.
Okay. At that point in time, did you conduct a search of the vehicle?
Yes, I did.
And do you recall what areas of the vehicle you searched?
I searched the interior of the vehicle, mostly common areas, the glove compartment, under the seats. It was spotless.
Okay. Now, when you say spotless, was there any belongings piled up in the car, or was it?
No, it was actually very clean, very much in good condition as far as looked like it had just been vacuumed.
Okay. Did you find any drugs inside the vehicle?
Didn't find anything.
Okay. Did you ever search the gas cap area?
I did not.
Why did you not search that area?
It didn't come to mind that I'd be looking in that direction.
Okay. After you conducted this search and no drugs were found, was Mr. Dippolito free to go at that point in time?
Oh, yes.
Okay. And during your interaction with Mr. Dippolito, how did he seem? How would you describe his demeanor?
He was shocked by the allegation. He was concerned, I would say.
I have no other questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
Any prosecutors?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Officer Williams. Good afternoon, Officer Williams. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Were you supposed to meet this person named Sandy in the hotel? Was that the dispatch that you were going to go meet someone?
Yes. No one ever came forward.
All right, and there wasn't anybody who was identified as Sandy, is that correct?
No.
And the initial call was an anonymous call, is that correct? Just someone
Sandy.
furnished the name Sandy?
Yes.
And it was a general thing that someone was dealing drugs, is that correct?
Well, that was the allegation, yes.
All right, and you looked for a vehicle that matched that description, is that correct?
I did.
And ultimately, after the vehicle was brought up, you run into Mike Dippolito, and he is with a female, is that correct?
Yes.
And the female didn't do any talking, isn't that correct?
No, I don't remember.
You don't
saying
recall
that.
the female doing any talking, do you?
I spoke directly with Mr. Dippolito.
And Mr. Dippolito, I think you said consented to a search of the vehicle, is that
Yes.
correct? And you checked the vehicle by serial number and everything to make sure that it was the vehicle that was described when you got the report, isn't that correct?
Correct.
And the vehicle was registered to a Mad Media company, correct?
I believe so, yes.
And as a result of what occurred, a police report was ultimately generated. Is that correct?
Yes.
But that police report wasn't written at the time of the incident in March of 2009, was it?
No,
That police report was actually written in September of 2009. Is that correct?
that's correct.
And that police report was then furnished to the state attorney's office. Is that correct?
Yes,
And that police report was not written by you, was it?
was not.
It was written by someone by the name of Lieutenant Maddox.
Yes,
And he's one of your supervising officers?
Yes,
And as that day went on, you didn't have any conversation with Ms. Dippolito, did you?
with
The wife?
the wife, no.
All right. And you dealt primarily, actually, according to what you just said, exclusively with the male. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And you did not have any evidence or discover or learn anything to believe that the female that was with him was the one that called this in, correct?
No.
You had absolutely nothing to indicate that,
I had
did you?
no evidence as to who called it in at all.
All right. Thank you, sir. Give me 1 second, if you don't mind, please. Nothing else. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Officer Williams. Have a nice afternoon. Thank you.
Was that him breathing in the microphone?
He was like, he was like,
Heck is that noise? He did sound like Darth Vader. Dude.
Doodle Bob.
Dude, Bob. It's just my regular unsweet gold peak black tea. Whoever.
Yeah.
That's it. Nothing exciting. Don't know
She's
why
very-
nobody say sometime or whatever that changed to. I have no idea. It's like, what the heck?
At that point, you might as well just drink water because that's basically what it tastes like.
It at least has a little flavor.
Well, I don't know. You might as well just suck on a tea bag. That
Ew.
came out completely wrong.
I'm doing that.
It just came out.
Hey, Bobby, I hope you clip that.
Oh my god! I didn't mean it like that. Oh my god! I'm so sorry. That was terrible. Sorry.
But don't apologize to me. I can clip. Yep.
Oh my god. Oh boy.
Oh my gosh. Oops, too late now.
Yeah, it's way too late now.
I drink unsweet tea just so I don't weigh 6,000 pounds idle. That's the only reason. I do not. I do not. I'm not even reading that. 32 minutes in, Bobby.
I'm gonna hear it on Friday on
Oh,
Shinny's stream.
I hope
I
so.
just suck on a tea bag. Ah, dang it, I said it again.
You did it again. Whoever, I generally can catch it. Sometimes I might be mid-sentence and I catch it and I'll go ahead and say it anyway. It's like whatever. But I generally can catch it before I say it. Oh man.
That's what I
That
mean.
was-
There's no filter. It just whatever comes into my head just comes right out. Like
Oh,
I
it's-
can't.
It's amazing. I love it.
Yeah, it's amazing when it's just us here, but like out in public at the store,
I wouldn't care.
it's not. It's not the best thing for somebody who's 5'1", okay, and looks like a tiny little,
Oh,
villain,
yeah.
stomping around the store.
Which keeps people away from you.
Yeah.
It was very priceless, Deidre. That was awesome.
It's just. Oh man.
And she,
Oh boy.
whoever, she caught it herself. That was the funniest part about it. I didn't
Right.
even say anything.
Right when it came out, I was like, "Son of a bitch!" What
She's
did I
like,
say?
no, I want that back.
Yeah.
Rewind. Sorry.
Rewind. Poor Mr. Gabby.
Nah. Love it. Oh, that's great. All right. Sorry. I just wanted to know, Darth Vader. I think Heidel made the Darth Vader reference and she was right. The guy was breathing in the microphone like, holy crap, dude, move. All right. On to the next.
Look at this guy in the back, though. He's wearing a green t-shirt,
And he's like,
sweating. It looks like he's sweating. Did he take a
That's
jog and then come to
Florida.
court?
It is Florida. Well, remember, we had peanut butter here last week, didn't we?
You're gonna say something completely different.
No, that wasn't last week. I don't know. It's whenever the picture, the picture with the penis on it or something.
Oh, right. Yeah. I have that
And then
picture saved on my phone.
Bryce said something about the penis butter. I just went back and it sounds as good the second time.
Oh my
I
God.
bet you did snipe.
He did. He went back and played it like 3 times and just sitting in his chair laughing.
There's people watching thinking, hey, that's the heavy breather who keeps calling me. The calls are coming from inside the house. Yes, the peen with the ring and elephantitis. There was lots going on with that thing. I don't
Yeah.
know if his back fat drained down there into those. I have no idea, but there was a lot going on with that drawing. Not good.
When he doesn't get it drained, it has just like a stent where it like
Just-
gets drained down.
down
right
to the
into his-
tea bags.
Yep, right down to the tea bags and the peen.
That was a peen dwarfed by its balls. It definitely was.
Oh my
Or he was giving her a glimpse into her future when she has old lady boobs and they're down to her knees. I don't know.
I don't think her boobs would ever do that because they already look rock hard.
Because they're not real.
Yeah, they're
And
just
then you got to
not
get those
real.
things taken out at some time. You can't just leave them in forever.
No, she literally just got like rocks just implanted in her body so they never move.
She's like, I can take you out with 2 punches. 1, 2.
She could have used that and not even called a hitman. She could have
She
just taken
should
it
have.
out with one swing.
And then she could have just taken them out. And then
Yeah.
all the evidence would have been gone. No, there's no weapon. Do your boobs hang low? Can you tie them in a bow?
I love that song.
I mean, they might be fibrocystic, but probably implants. I think they're implants.
Fibers.
Did I read that word wrong?
No, I'm just
Okay.
laughing at it because it's hilarious.
And I wasn't reading that like snarky, like I was just sorry. I was listening to a very snarky court hearing before I started. And so that woman was driving me nuts. And she was making me, I was thinking of a dare because he'd be like, oh, were you the one that made it? Somebody made the freaking Darth Vader. Sorry, side eye.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I thought it was Heidel. I really know. They're just really full
But don't-
pecs, full of back fat. The drain.
Fat.
That's where he drained it to.
I love how he even said it. He's like, I had to get my back drained.
I had to go get my liposuction back fat drained. Sorry, it's me. It was me, Jessica. I said the Darth Vader.
It's like, I'm in here.
Because I'm in here. Sorry. I apologize. He thought it was putting her lips. Oh, I bet it was.
Oh, it definitely was.
I bet it was.
A backpack.
Back fat, backpack.
Backpack fat.
It's all the same. It's all the same. Dora probably has a song about it. And there it is.
Dora.
Backpack, backpack.
Backpack. Backpack. Backpack.
Backpack, backpack. Get drained.
Swiper. No swiping.
Okay. All right. Bring it together. Bring it together.
Well, we got this, guys. We got this. We
got
can
it.
do this.
You know, it's only an hour and 20 minutes. It'll take us 6. We can do it. We know. We had this conversation last night. It's fine.
Mhm.
Here we go.
Next witness.
State would call Officer Robert Wilson.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And once you get settled in there and get the microphone adjusted, please tell us your name.
I'm Officer Robert Wilson of the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department.
Everybody else, so
Yes, sir.
thank you so very much.
Is this the woman?
Officer Wilson,
Yes, ma'am.
where are you employed?
Palm Beach Gardens Police Department.
And how long have you been there?
I've been a full-time officer for about 8 years and a reserve officer for about 1.5 years prior to that.
Did you have any law enforcement experience prior to working at Palm Beach Gardens?
I did. I was a military policeman in the United States Air Force for about 3.5 years.
He looks
What
like the
divisions have
same
you
guy
been
who was just
assigned
up
to
there.
during your time at the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department?
What'd you say?
He looks exactly the same as the cop who was just up there,
Just younger.
except for a little smaller.
and he's wearing.
They look like
Glasses.
twins.
They could be. Maybe.
All right, I'm
Oh.
muting.
Dang it. Don't do it yet. Because I can't keep. Stop it. This thing. All right, here we go.
Road patrol, and then I was assigned to a tactical crime unit for about 4 years.
What does the Tactical Crimes Unit do?
We investigate burglaries, narcotics, a lot of undercover operations, surveillance operations, persons crimes, vice crimes, things of that nature.
Part of your undercover operations include drug operations, narcotics investigations.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you generally, well, let me ask you, when you were working in that division, were you dressed as you are today?
No, I
How were
was
you
not.
dressed?
Street clothes, plain clothes, longer hair, facial hair, things of that nature.
Okay. Now, in March of 2009, where were you assigned?
I was assigned to the tactical crime unit at that time.
And tell the jury, where's the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department located?
I guess the best geographical place to tell you would be the intersection of Military Trail and PGA Boulevard in Palm Beach Gardens.
Is there a deli that you used to go to back in March of 2009 close to the police department?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the name of that deli?
Crossroads Deli.
And do you know who the manager or the owner of Crossroads Deli was?
At that time, there was a gentleman by the name of Mike who was the manager. I'm not sure if he was a co-owner, but I know for sure he was a manager there.
Okay. And you called him Mike.
Correct.
Did you ever learn what his real name was?
Yes, I did.
What is that?
I knew it as Mohammed.
Now, how is it that you got to know Mike or Mohammed?
I would frequent the deli, given the proximity to the police station. It was a convenient place to go before or after work to pick up, whatever you would get at a convenience store. So that's how I came to frequent that, and that's how I actually came to know Mike initially.
And would you talk to him when you were there?
Sure,
Was he friendly?
he was.
Okay. Now, do you remember a time in March of 2009 where Mike or Mohammed contacted you on your cell phone?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Tell me about that. How did that happen?
Another officer that I work with, by the name of Officer Greenberg, had contacted me and asked me.
Objection, hearsay is anything Mr. Greenberg said.
Contacted me and asked me if he could give Mike or Mohammed my phone number, that there was something that Mike needed to talk to me about, and would it be okay? And I said yes.
And can I ask you this? What's your cell phone number? Or what was your cell phone number at the time in March of 2009?
56.
Now, what is Officer Greenberg's connection to Mike or Mohammed?
The same as mine, in a sense. Officer Greenberg frequented the Crossroads Deli, similar to myself and other officers, and he became friendly with Mike, I would assume, in the same manner that I did.
Now, did Mike or Mohammed actually call you on your cell phone?
He did.
And without telling me exactly what he said to you, what happened next?
I was contacted by a lady known to me at that time as D.
Did you give Mohammed or Mike permission to give out your cell phone number to someone else?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Did you talk to that person that you learned to be known as D?
Yes, I did.
And did you later learn what her real name was?
I did.
What was that?
Dalia.
Now, when you spoke to her on the phone, what did she say to you?
She explained to me a situation she was having with her husband. She said he had a violent temper, that he was on probation, and that he frequently brought illegal narcotics into the city of Palm Beach Gardens, in particular, the Yard House restaurant. She then went further to ask for my assistance in arresting him for possession of illegal narcotics in Palm Beach Gardens.
Did she know that you were a police officer when you were speaking to her?
She did.
How do you know that?
I don't know. I don't believe that it ever came up in conversation. So I'll have to retract
Trick
that
question.
initial first conversation I had with her. I can't say 100% that she knew. It was assumed.
Okay. And was it your belief because Mohammed knew that you were a police officer?
Yes.
Okay. Now, after that initial conversation, did you ever speak to the defendant or who you know as D or Dalia again?
Yes, I did.
Tell me about that.
It was a second, or I want to say second or third conversation whereby she again asked for my assistance in arresting her husband for possession of illegal narcotics.
Was this on the phone?
Yes,
Did you ever speak to her in person?
I did.
When did you speak to her in person? Do you know?
I want to say maybe a week or two, a week and a half after the initial conversation, I met her at the Crossroads Deli, and we had a face-to-face conversation at that point.
And what did she say?
Again, it was asking for my assistance to arrest her husband for possession of illegal narcotics. She again explained to me that she was concerned for her safety, that she was in fear for her life. And again, it was the onus of that conversation was to make some type of setup to arrest him for illegal narcotics.
Did she ever give you any specifics about why she was in fear for her safety?
Never went into detail, no.
Did you see any physical signs of abuse on that day when you met her in person?
No,
Did you see any bruises, cuts, or scrapes?
no.
Was she focused on you helping her with the abuse part or with having her husband arrested for drugs?
I would say having her husband arrested for drugs.
What, if anything, did you tell her about an investigation into domestic abuse?
I explained to her, I believe it was in our last conversation, that I could not investigate a domestic violence allegation, that she needed to contact whatever jurisdiction that domestic violence incident occurred, which I believe was Boynton Beach.
Did she tell you that during that meeting that her husband was on probation?
Yes.
Did she tell you that she wanted his probation violated?
I don't recall.
Did she tell you that she wanted him arrested?
Yes.
Did she offer you anything to have him arrested?
Yes.
What did she offer you?
She offered to pay me for my services in conducting the investigation or in
Yes,
having
she
him
did.
arrested.
What did you say in response to that?
Each time she would say that to me, I would explain to her that it was my job, that I would not take any money for any type of investigation. It's part of what I do.
How many times, if you remember, did she offer to pay you to have her husband arrested?
At least 3.
Did she come up with a plan on how the arrest would occur in Palm Beach Gardens?
In the sense that she would make sure that there were narcotics in the vehicle. But other than that, no.
Did she ever tell you who, if anyone else, would be in the vehicle at the time you would be making a stop?
Not that I recall.
Did she say whether or not she would be with the defendant when he got arrested?
Not that I recall.
Did you ever accept any money from her?
No,
Did you ever accept any money from Mohammed or Mike?
no,
Do you remember what number that she called you from? What phone number?
no, I don't.
Officer Wilson, I'm showing you what is marked as State's Exhibit, Composite Exhibit 3B. Phone records for a cell phone 561-703-9453. Can you please turn to, let's see, the date would be March 18th of 2009 at 17:47 p.m. It looks like it might be page 28 of 262.
I'm on page 28.
And do you see a call on March 18th of 2009 at 17:47 p.m.?
I do.
Okay, 17:47 p.m. What time is that in real time?
5:47
Okay.
p.m.
Do you see your phone number on that date at that time?
I do.
What happens according to those records that you have in front of you at 5:47?
Shenny, depends on which beginning you're going back to. The beginning of testimony or the beginning of the stream? Because if you go back to the beginning of the stream, you're going to hear Gabby tell me that I should just suck on a tea bag and immediately regret it.
Oh, boy.
If you just stay here, you haven't missed anything. We just saw a cop that looks like this cop, but heavier and a little older, testify about being at the Ritz-Carlton and searching his Mike Dippolito's car for, I think, cocaine or whatever. And that was whatever. It wasn't anything. And then now this guy's on here and he actually talked to Dalia. But yeah, you're good. Also, Bad Dazzer, I agree with you. When she's like, what time is that in real time? That is real time, dummy.
Well, she asked that specifically for Mikey D so that he could write it down so he knew what time it was.
I mean, it's like, what time's that in real time? Okay, we use fake time in the military, you know.
Yeah, it's pretend. It's pretend
it's just
time.
pretend. Like we all just make it up in the military and doctors' offices and police officers and all those people. It's just pretend. We're just like 17,000. It's dumb. And hello, Shinny, if I didn't say hello.
You Shinny.
But that beep, I don't know what that was. I saved your comment because I thought it might come back. It's like got ready to take a drink and I hear beep. Like what the
It was
heck is
definitely someone's
that?
heart monitor.
It did sound like a heart monitor. No, thank you. You can have that all by yourself. Or, well, I guess you can't have that all by yourself. You would have to have a man there or something. I don't know. I'm going to just leave it there. I'm just going to go over here and hit play right now. Okay.
I received a phone call at 5:47 p.m. and it looks like it lasted 78 minutes.
Or a hearse, whoever.
76 minutes, I'm sorry.
True.
Judge, I'm just going to object to the characterization of 76 minutes. The duration says, doesn't say minutes, seconds, how it's broken down.
State's response.
I believe it would be 76 seconds. But that would be, okay. Now, let me have you look at page, let's see, March 18th of 2009 at 21:59. I believe it'd be page 29 of 262.
I'm there.
Do you see your phone number
I do.
at that date, at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
And what happens at that date and time?
I'm called, my phone is called on 3/18/09 at 21:59, which would be 9:59 p.m.
And what is
For-
the duration of that call according to the records? What's the number?
36.
Okay. Now, how about on March 18th of 2009 at 22:11 and 42 seconds, which is what, 10:11?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What happens then?
My phone is called again from that number for a duration of 43.
And how about on March 19th at 11 o'clock? Do you see your phone number
I
on the
do.
phone records also?
I do at 11:03 a.m.
You're under permission to publish?
Yes.
And page 32 of 262, on March 20th of 2009 at 15:09. Do you see your phone number on those records there?
Yes, ma'am.
And what happens?
A duration of 33.
What number calls you?
703-9453.
And how about at 15:12? What is that, 3:12 p.m.?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens then?
Same number, calls my cell phone for a duration of 63.
And then on March 20th at 2009 at 15:36, so 3:36, do you see your cell phone number on the records again?
I'm sorry, could you repeat the time?
15:36, 3:36?
On 320?
Yes.
No, I don't see my phone number. Forgive me, I do see my phone.
Okay. And what happens on that date, March 20th, at that time?
That's my phone number calling 703-9453 for a duration of 1,024.
Permission to publish, Ron?
Yes.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
Bobby Dave, Bologna, where have you been?
You missed it.
You missed it. You missed it. You missed it. Can't even.
Hold on, I gotta go back to see when.
32 minutes.
Yeah. AJ has it in her head. She knows it by heart.
32 minutes. I believe that's what he said. He was telling Bobby where it was.
32 minutes into the stream. Go listen to that.
It's awesome.
It was Gabby's fault. It definitely was my fault.
Actually, this time it was.
It really was.
That's awesome. Yep, 32 minutes in, Bobby. That's what Snipe said. Try and get back to live chat. I'm just thinking AJ needed my
Balls?
I'm not saying that because it'll
Balls?
get clipped. Go ahead. What was it?
Balls?
Thank you. Sound clip at the beginning of the stream. Probably. Probably. We are.
It
We are.
was perfect.
It was perfect. It was. It's hilarious. Because you just said it so clear. Nobody was laughing or anything.
I know.
Bobby. Just go back to 32 minutes. That was nicely done, Gabby. They both were. That and the previous thing were both nicely done. Well, I can't help you then, Bobby. I can't help you. You're just gonna have to remember 32 minutes in was perfect. And is this guy getting ready for cross-examination?
I don't know. He looks so confused.
I always find it strange you guys aren't taught the 24-hour clock in school. We probably are. None of us get it.
Mm.
Like my son uses military time. He was never in the military, but his wife works in the medical field, so she uses it. My husband uses it. I'm like, Carmen uses it. I think I'm the only one that uses real time. That was so dumb.
I did use military time when I worked security, but I haven't used it in so long now. I don't remember what it all means.
Yeah, I don't know.
But I did have to use it to fill out daily reports and stuff.
I do like how she didn't ask when she was in the quote unquote real time. She didn't ask, could you give us that in your fake time?
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, you know, I'm like,
real time.
They only operate in real time 12 hours of the day. Like, what are they doing the other 12? They don't exist. Like, oh my gosh.
Hilarious.
Shanae's thrown in math. Like, such a breeze. Just at 20:04, think at 10:04, and then subtract 2.
Yeah,
And at
it's
PM at
way
the end.
too late.
That's a lot.
It's way too late to do math, Shani. But thank you. Minus 30 minutes from right now, listen.
For a minute or so. Oh my gosh. You can count to 24, Gabby.
Yeah, I can.
Deidre. I said I come to this stream for entertainment, like SNL. Yes. I'll take
Sometimes it is. It is kind of like an SNL skit sometimes.
I like it. And minutes have nothing to do with it. Well, why'd you say 10:02?
That's perfect. Then why'd you say 10:02?
She said 10:04. 20:04.
And -9 or something?
And
oh, subtract 2.
And subtract 2 and add PM.
Yeah. And add PM.
Yes.
What would that look like as like an equation?
She's like, oh my gosh, it was a time. Stop it.
This is what I'm saying. Don't just be throwing up numbers now. It's way too late for that shit. Maths.
The maths ain't mathin'.
The maths ain't mathin'.
What's up, Katie?
Hey, Katie.
We are talking real time and apparently military time. It's in this lawyer's mind is fake.
Yeah, it's a pretend time. It's not real.
It's pretend.
But look at she did. She put the dang equation up.
2200. 12 minus 2 is 10 at PM.
That should be on a t-shirt right there.
I thought she said 20:02, 20:04. And then subtract 2. Add PM. See, Shani, I already can't do it now. Weeble dee wobble dee tiny whiny. Yes.
Doodle Bob.
Doodle Bob. Why are you yelling tube?
Who knows?
Yelling, Bobby. All right. I can't do don't even start on Celsius. I just know 0 is freezing.
It's hours, not minutes. It's so easy. She's still I love you, Shitty. She's like, people, get with it. God. Or Haley, you're not helping the situation. You forgot to add PM at the end of that equation. Jeez.
Or count around the clock. That'd be how I would do it. 12,
Yeah, that's a,
13, 14, 15.
yeah. Yep.
That would be how I would do it. Over 4 plus 12 is 1,600 hours. Okay.
Sure.
Yep. Shani, I think you're making it up. 5-year-olds learn this shit. Not in this country.
Nope. Absolutely not.
They're learning
Thank you.
new.
Do not come again.
They're learning new math.
They are.
It's weird.
It's so weird.
I don't like it.
A lot of them don't even know how to give change.
Yeah. Is this metric?
Yeah. Right?
Making what up, Bobby? The teabagging or the clock?
The teabagging is real. I mean, it's real. It's out there.
That is
It's
real.
real.
That's real. That's real.
The clock thing? I'm just going to go ahead and believe you.
I'm kind of with Bobby. Time should not require math.
True.
Metric time. Oh my gosh. In the train quickly went off of it tonight, and it's fine. We're all survived so far. We're not over yet. Oh,
No,
a
it's
lot of
true.
them can't count the damn change they're giving you. Forget trying to figure out the change. Figure out the
Yeah.
change to give you. Yeah, I suck at that.
Well, it happens all the time. To me, I have to tell them, like, you know, they're like, oh, $5. I give them a 20. They give me a 10 back.
Okay, well, you know,
I'm like, wrong. Try again. Nice
Yeah.
try, though.
I mean, dollars, evens are easy. They're not, it's not like it
Did you
was
hear my
like,
husband?
what?
Did you hear him laughing?
I did not.
He was like,
He was not.
he was. I don't know what he's watching, but
Not me. Maybe
Bobby, this is
Haley.
what we were saying. You got to go back to the beginning and go in 30 minutes, and then you'll see what we're talking about with the teabagging.
AJ, but what time did the runaway train leave the station? I don't know. It was like
I can't.
10:02 minus 6 plus 7, add an
Add
A,
PM.
and then an add a PM. Shitty.
Solve for why. Okay. Because
Oh,
why the heck are we doing this?
Don't put letters in there. I love you
ridiculous.
too, Shenny. You're hilarious. I love it. No. My mom is a full college professor of math. Well, don't tell her to watch the stream. She'll be like, what's wrong with those people?
Well, maybe we should have her on as a guest.
Yeah, maybe.
Help us.
At PMS with all these women. Yes, it is 6:10 PMS. That's all I'd say. Letters make
She
it
laughed.
easier. No, they don't. No, they don't.
No.
No, I'm either doing numbers or I'm writing something. You can't do both.
Drop 10 minus 2 add PM. What?
Add PM. That's what time the train left the station.
Oh my God.
Easy question. What does AM and PM stand for? Ask me later and probably don't know. I have no idea. I couldn't come up with M's. What kind of train was it? A doomed one.
Yeah, pretty much. A derailed one.
A derailed one. Track was bad. It started off bad. That's the way it is. And
There's a llama up front that won't move. Like we're just freaking out over here.
Pony llamas up there. whatever that guy's name was, and oh no, that was Llama. His name was Lamar.
Lamar.
But I forgot the R one day in his name, so it was Llama.
That was the best. It was 5 hours into the stream, and I was like, "Hey AJ, did you notice this?" I circled it. It was like Llama. What was it? What was his last name?
Johnson?
Yeah, it was like Llama Johnson. I was like, "Did you notice this?" And I circled Llama. Oh, it was priceless.
I'm like, you didn't know, like, you waited 5 hours to tell me this.
I had just saw it because I had put it up on my big screen, and that's why I saw it. It just like jumped, like it was huge, and I was like, "Holy shit, that says llama. That doesn't say Lamar."
Llama Johnson. So it was a bad joke. It was embarrassing because it stayed like that all day. And so then the next day when I did it, I put a llama up on the screen, on the thumbnail. I was like, if you know, you know. I'm ignoring all your math questions over there. So I'm just telling you right now. Oh my gosh. No. Make it what? See, Haley? Or you make 13 and minus 2 is 11, drop 10, boom, it's PM because it's time you didn't know how to figure.
I love how she just was like, "Boom, it's PM."
Boom, it's
Like-
PM. Anti-meridian and post-meridian. Anti-M?
Okay.
Anti
Annie M. Annie M. Is that you, Annie? And you were there. And you were there.
Oh my gosh. All right. Since we all need to stop thinking because our heads are hurting, because our brains are like, what's happening? Let's go back to this officer.
Annie M.
That's why I was like, Gabby. Well, look, if it's 1000 hours, you know it's 10 a.m. You get confused at 20 hours. That's
You get confused. I can't. Confused. I'm totally using that. That's awesome.
after midnight. Oops. After midnight, pre-midnight.
No, you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to feed the gremlins after midnight. Jesus.
And it didn't get approved in time, but Ronnie said, and don't forget to throw in the PM, the menopause time. That's what it really stands for.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. All right. We're going. I'm pushing play right now. Wow, we're only 25 minutes into this.
AJ, stop. This is like the worst. You just don't even tell me how long we've watched the video for, because every time I'm like, what? 5 minutes in? Jesus.
Still the yellow tie. Good for you.
Thank you.
She looks like a Vienna sausage. Jeez. Struggling.
It's like, oh, I can't bend over. No, it's 25 minutes. 25 minutes in.
Officer Wilson, I just want to ask you a couple of little things. You testified that when you finally heard from someone named D, that was on the telephone. Is that correct?
Could you repeat that question?
When you finally heard from someone named D, that was on the telephone. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And did D, whomever you spoke to, identify herself with her correct name or her last name?
I don't recall.
Would there be anything documented in a report about that?
No, sir.
So you can't tell the jury that this person D attempted to hide herself in any way because you don't have a report that says wouldn't give last name or anything like that. You simply don't remember.
That's correct.
Now, how many times did you talk to her before you met with her in person?
I don't know the exact number. I know there were phone calls, but I couldn't tell you the exact number other than what I've documented in the report that I wrote.
And you said that when you spoke to this particular woman, she had a fear of her husband. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And I think that you indicated specifically that she said he had a violent temper. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And that he was on probation.
Yes, sir.
And I think in your deposition, you said that she told you that her husband beat her frequently. Is that correct?
Without looking at the deposition, I wouldn't know 100% for sure.
Well, let's look at it then, okay? Let's look at your deposition, which was April 13th, 2011. You remember Ms. Parker was present, right?
Yes, sir, I do.
State Attorney's Office?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I was present, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And you can look at any part of your deposition that you want, but here's where I'm asking you to look at. Page 8 of your deposition, you talk about a friend named D, and the information you got was that her husband beat her frequently?
Yes, sir. That is correct.
Okay, and you that was just information that you got when you were investigating, is that correct?
That's correct.
Now, Ms. Parker asked you if she had any signs of abuse, cuts or scrapes. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. She did ask me that.
Was that based on what you visibly saw, or did you specifically check for those things?
On what I visibly saw.
And that information that you actually got through another source. Is that correct, about her being abused by her husband? You got that through another source, or you got that from her?
Both.
And the way that she was able to get in touch with you was through you giving your phone number to this gentleman, Mike or Mohammed, and apparently she got to you through him giving her the number. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And when you spoke to her, she was upset and she appeared to be fearful. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And she described her husband to you as being a drug runner. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And when you're talking with her about what occurred, she told you that if she came into Palm Beach Gardens, it's not that she would plant drugs on her husband, but that he would have drugs on him, correct?
That's correct.
Now, you said that you met with her, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And are you able to actually tell us the day or the time that you met with her?
No, I'm not.
Are you able to tell us if the other gentleman, Mike, was there?
Yes.
So he met with you and the person named D, is that correct?
Yes.
When you met with the person named D, did D, or did you ask for D's last name or anything like that?
No, I did not.
And when you met with D at the convenience store, that meeting was maybe for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the most?
I'd say 10 minutes at the most, yes.
Now, what's a CAD report?
It's a computerized report that basically documents some of the facts of a call.
And there wasn't a CAD report of this meeting, correct?
No, sir.
And there wasn't even a police report that was written at that time. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And basically, because it was a meeting, because someone asked you to see somebody, you didn't document it at all, did you?
That's correct.
Now, other than telling a supervisor about it, was anything reduced to writing?
No, sir.
Now, when you finally were contacted again, you were asked to write a report. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you were contacted sometime in March, actually March 22nd of 2010 is when you were contacted about this. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And at that point, you were asked to write a report of your recollection of the incident. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And we would agree that that was after Ms. Dippolito was arrested?
Yes, sir.
And when you wrote that report, you didn't have any notes. You just had your recollection, correct?
That's correct.
And your knowledge that she had been arrested. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And when you met with Ms. Dippolito, there wasn't any talk about her killing her husband, was there?
No.
And when you met with Ms. Dippolito, there wasn't any talk about her hiring a hitman. Is that correct?
No.
And when you met with her, there wasn't any talk about you being hired as a hitman, was there?
No.
Or was there any talk about anyone harming her husband physically? Was there?
No.
And when you met her, you indicated to me previously that you described her as a thin woman with blonde hair. Is that correct?
Yes.
And that was the exact description that you gave me from your recollection, right?
Yes.
And when I asked you that, I didn't suggest any description, did I? When we talked previously?
No.
I simply asked you, are you able to describe her, right?
That's correct.
And that's when you said she was thin with blonde hair.
Correct.
And you indicated to me that you were positive of that, correct?
Yes.
Did they give these officers a class on breathing into the mics? Oh my gosh. Yep, you found it, Bobby. You know, you could do it Heidel's way, which is the math way, and Shinny's way. I just was like, watch for me to lift up my bottle of tea. Also, I'm not doing what Gabby said. Okay, then. I told you. Told you. Oh my gosh, all your profile pictures. You're supposed to eat the mic, not snort it. Well, in this trial, I think they might think differently than that. She just looks kind of snotty today. I don't know what it is. She's giving side eye like nobody's business.
Well, she's what, Ronnie Bonita would call a little bish.
A little bish.
She a little bish.
She's a bish. I mean, I want to see her and Jessica have a side eye battle. And then I just want to see Jessica like beat the shit out of her. Just figuratively speaking, of course. Never advocate for violence at all, ever.
I mean, it doesn't have to be violent. We could just have like a mud pit wrestle match.
A little flat fight, little girl flat fight, pulling hair.
Yeah.
In Minecraft. There you go.
Yes.
You think a woman who would hire a hitman might have a toot? Just a small one. We saw it on the refrigerator. And clipped. Yes.
Oh boy.
I'm still pissed off. Well, you seem to be kind of crabby, so quit it.
That Great. Uh,
No.
did you enjoy men fighting over balls? Just saying.
Just one ball.
Just one ball.
Either football, college, not pro. We don't want any pros in here. Or baseball. Only pro. I don't want to watch college. Don't say I'm crabby. I don't want to be put in grandma's box. Well, you're going to head there, mister. I will turn this train around right now if you don't get a better attitude about you.
Crab people.
I will like pull it back up off the cliff and put it right back on the tracks. Just saying.
I have
No
no
pro-
idea what's happening outside my house right now.
No
I'm
pros today
hearing
for watching her.
hammering and moaning outside my house.
Is it our next trial?
Probably. Get ready for that one. Jeez.
Maybe you should go check. I mean, like cautiously, of course.
Oh, hell no. I'm not going out there.
Oh my. Hey, I will not, mister.
Might as well suck up to that. Pardon, Gabby.
Pardon, Gabby? What's going on out there? Snipe's like, might be a good time. No and no. All right, well, I won't tell you the time now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that. I don't want to know. I just don't need to know.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't look at the screen. It won't
I'm not.
I'm gonna hit play because it won't leave.
Okay.
Are they pickle pounding?
That
Might
could be a
be.
possibility. I
I
don't
don't
know.
The McPickles are not out of town. So
You want to know? Go find out. Yeah. Let me just, get my stick and just walk around my house.
I want to know. You go find out what's happening. It's probably Fat Tony. He's
Fucking Fat Tony.
beating up a raccoon with tiny hands.
Too bad he wasn't beating up a beat. Never mind. I'm not even going to say it. I'm not even gonna. You see, I caught myself that time. Not even gonna say it. Not gonna do it. Nope. No way, no how.
I'll finish her sentence. She was gonna end with beaver.
Bobby's like, damn it, Gabby.
Close Snipe, but she was gonna say beaver.
Stop pitching yourself. You got the suck on a tea bag thing, so that's
That's
good
all you're
enough.
getting. She loves Nibby. Don't you worry about it.
No,
She does. She's lying.
I'm not.
She's lying.
I don't believe I have any other questions. Thank you, sir.
All right, which witness, Your Honor? Your deposition, page 8. Could you please read that entire page to yourself?
Okay.
Now, how is it that you learned or that you heard that the defendant's husband beats her?
It was through Mike initially.
Okay. And is he the one who told you he beats her frequently and she was scared and concerned?
Yes.
Now, did the defendant tell you when you spoke to her about any other incident where her husband had been stopped for drugs?
Yes.
What did she tell you?
That there was an incident that occurred in West Palm Beach whereby she was involved with some type of investigation with West Palm Beach pertaining to her husband transporting, holding, or possessing, I'm not quite sure, illegal narcotics, and that they in turn stopped him in West Palm Beach, but they were, I believe it was unable to find any narcotics.
Did she tell you that story in the context of trying to get you to hire you to have her husband arrested for possession of drugs?
I believe so, yes.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
She never told you she planted drugs in West Palm Beach, did she?
No, sir.
Thank you.
All right, Officer Williams, thank you very much. Your excuse, excuse me, Wilson. Officer Wilson, thank you very much. Your excuse. Have a nice afternoon. Say.
State recall Officer Mary Hooper.
We have this witness and then one more. The one looks like he's from elementary school. You notice they took her bigger Post-it pad away and gave her a little tiny one. They're like, we've heard enough out of you. Shut up. Come on, Mary. I did not know Mary was a Mary until she said her name. And usually I can
Do you
tell.
swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Hi, how are you, sir?
Good, thank you. How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Please tell us your name.
Mary Elizabeth Hooper,
All right. Mary?
Elizabeth. Correct.
Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
Where are you currently employed?
City of West Palm Beach Police Department.
How long have you been with the West Palm Beach Police Department?
July will be 8 years.
And what do you do at the City of West Palm?
Street patrol.
And where are you currently assigned?
District 1, which is the north end of the city.
Have you been in any other specialized units while you've been at the City of West Palm Police Department?
Yes,
Where have you been assigned?
narcotics.
And what is the name of that particular unit?
Quick response team.
What are your duties and responsibilities as part of the quick response team?
Primarily weapons and narcotics. Getting them off the streets.
Do you have any specialized experience in narcotics detection or investigation?
I do.
What is that?
Prior to my employment with the City of West Palm Beach, I worked for the United States Army Criminal Investigation Division, Drug Suppression Team.
And what kind of training did you have in order to be in either the narcotics unit or in the Army investigating narcotic situations?
Quite a bit.
Okay. Now, were you working in the narcotics unit at the West Palm Beach Police Department on March 29th of 2009?
Yes,
Do you remember an incident with a gray Chevy Tahoe on that day?
yes.
What happened?
The supervisor of the quick response team said that there was a call that we had to respond to. At that time, we were working as a 3 team.
She's something, whoever. Her neck is humongous. I didn't hear her name at first when I was trying to go through and just get the officers' names earlier. And I seriously thought she was a dude because how she's built. She does not, Carmen keeps her hair very short. Not generally as short as this lady's hair. But she's still feminine. This woman is like, she's going to kick your ass. Like her neck, I said she looked like a dude, and I don't mean any disrespect by that. I honestly thought it was a dude. I did. I just thought she had I thought it was a dude with a higher voice. But yeah, I thought it was too, Bobby. But she is built. Snipe. Yeah. If she's straight, she would be perfect mate for Bruce Jenner. She would kick his butt. He couldn't handle her. I don't know how to do it. Whatever. her voice is quite feminine for being such a butch woman. I don't know. Hats off to her. She's Carmen is dainty, but yes, don't let it fool you. But this woman, she's all business. All business. She does leg day, I bet you too. I don't know, Bad Dazzle. Do you like my bratty avatar? I do love your bratty avatar. Like she doesn't skip leg day like Mike. And I guarantee she's not up here sniffling like Mike.
We had to respond to the city garage, 700 South Rosemary, if I had the address correct, to investigate. There was supposed to be a large amount of narcotics in this vehicle.
When you say you work with a 3 team, what does that mean?
This in particular day, there was 3 of us to a car.
Now, once you got there, what happened?
I met with entertainment district officer who primarily works downtown, Officer Gellin, who had already made contact with the parties involved and began like somewhat of a superficial investigation. I met with him and we just started our investigation.
Did you identify who the owner of the car was?
Yes,
Who was the owner of the car?
Michael Dippolito.
And did you come into contact with him once you got there to the garage?
Yes,
Was there anyone with him on that day?
yes,
Who was with him?
his wife.
What did you do once you came into contact with Michael Dippolito?
We obtained a consent to search the vehicle without a problem and basically just conducted the investigation. Very, very little one-on-one with either one. Very, let's get it done and just want to go home.
You say you obtained a consent to search. Was that something just verbally or was it in writing?
I personally did not obtain any kind of anything in writing. I'm sure there was something in writing. No, I'm sorry, I don't know. I don't remember who did it.
Okay.
Might have been Gellin.
As a result of a consent to search, did you then search the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about how that went about.
Nothing in the vehicle, in the interior of the vehicle. There was a canine officer and his partner called. The dog did hit on the vehicle, which means the dog sensed that there was a presence of something. Based on where the dog alerted, we centralized our search to that location and we were able to recover drugs at the time.
Where did you recover drugs from?
In the spare tire compartment exterior of the vehicle, in the rear, underneath.
All right. Now, during your contact with Mike Dippolito, did you learn anything about his probation or about his status?
Nothing in depth, just that was a very big concern to him.
Okay.
That he was going to be violated and very, very, very upset about that.
What did he tell you?
He was on probation. I believe he said he was on probation for another incident. And he was, this would really not be good for him.
What was his demeanor like?
Very concerned, very cooperative, polite, nothing.
Did he seem upset?
Very.
And when you say very, can you describe it for the jury?
Concerned. I mean, his life pretty much was about to be turned upside down, and he was concerned, legitimately concerned. Seemed to me like he didn't want anything to go wrong. He was trying to be good.
Now, you say the drugs were underneath the spare tire. Would you say that they were easily found on
No.
that day?
No.
How did you or anyone else from the police department recover those drugs?
Again, we centralized to that location specifically because of the dog, or else, to be honest, it probably would have been missed. I mean, just by an investigation and a search, it's not common that, maybe for a border patrol or, but for us, it's not usually someplace it's hidden.
Did anyone have to get underneath the car to try to get the drugs out?
Yes. I believe at one point all three of us tried.
Was what you recovered ever tested?
Yes.
And how does that occur?
I believe Agent Wood tested it. I'm not sure if it was a field test or if it was actually tested back at the station, maybe both. But it did test positive for cocaine. Very small amount too.
Okay. Now, would the 3-person unit that you were involved in, a canine dog, and Agent Wood, everybody respond for a tiny amount of cocaine in a spare tire?
Not on call. I mean, it wouldn't be unusual. I mean, depending on the call volume, depending on how busy we are. I mean, it's not unusual for that to happen. So it's case by case basis. If the dog's available and, we really believe that there's something, then yes, the dog would be called for a small amount.
Did you submit anything for fingerprints in your investigation?
I personally, I don't know if I did, but there were fingerprints.
What was
done.
submitted for fingerprints?
The drugs, the packaging, and the box that it was placed in.
Do you know if prints were ever recovered off of those?
I believe they were negative.
Did you observe the defendant's wife during this time where you were searching the vehicle and you were interacting with Mr. Dippolito?
I did.
How was she acting?
Just as polite as he was, just as willing to let's get this over with and let's go. Definitely seemed annoyed. I probably would have been annoyed too. So nothing unusual.
Now, after locating the drugs, did you arrest Mike Dippolito?
No.
Why not?
Discretionary. Some officers make a decision based on the amount of proof. I did it personally. I chose not to because I couldn't prove that he was in possession. I didn't feel that he knew that it was there. As a matter of fact, I thought quite the opposite. I thought he was just as shocked as we were when we found it.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
You've been a police officer for how long?
6.5 years prior to my 8 years coming up in July. So I'm not very good at math. Sorry.
6.5 and 8?
Yeah.
14 and a half years? Okay. Are you going to suggest,
Has she been listening to our chat tonight? I'm not good at math. Well, you're in the right place. I'm telling you, I cannot stop staring at her neck. Not in a weird way. I just think, it's huge. I agree. You think they were on his payroll? No. I think she sounds like a good cop too. I was thinking that.
She does look like a good time.
She probably is. And if you're not having one, she's gonna make you. Like you get
Absolutely.
over here. We're gonna figure this out right now. You almost feel
She
sorry for.
She had to have been in some kind of military before.
She said she was. Yeah, she was
Yeah.
in the military. So she's just built. Deidre, I almost feel sorry for Dumb Dip now. Don't. Maybe just a little. If you want to, just a little. Oh my gosh. Women in math. Math is hard. Remember the Barbie that said that and I got mad because Barbie said math is hard? Like it's going to make some little girl be like, you're right, Barbie. I'm never going to do it again. I hope she wasn't either tonight. I hope not. She will give you a direct order and you will listen. That's right. Math is obnoxious. I like her. She can smell a bitchy, evil wife a mile away.
Yep. She probably just looked at her and was like, oh, hell no.
Yeah. Oh, no. Sorry, lady. I like to see female cops who can take care of business, like not like some UK cops I see on shows with fake eyelashes and crap.
I know, and they have their like little uniforms too with the little puffy hats.
And they
The
speak so
UK cops.
properly. Yeah, and they're
Yeah.
like so proper to you. Like, please stop doing that. Instead of ours are like, knock it off. Like, fine. You're right, Barbie. I'm gonna go work for OF instead of NASA. See, that's what they were scared of. And OF was not even a thing yet. Oh my gosh. Look at her smile. Like, yep. So she's not staring at us like she hates us, like he was last night.
No, that's what I mean. I mean, she looks like she would have fun, you know?
Yep.
But like, she can get shit done, like Haley said, you know?
Yeah. But she doesn't take any BS and doesn't have to. It's
Right. Yeah, no, absolutely.
Great.
That neck, absolutely, she takes no BS. I'll tell you that.
From anyone.
From nobody, not even her own mama, okay?
Well, good for her. I wonder what she looks like today.
I bet you she still looks exactly the same. And
Probably.
I mean, her shoulders look huge under that
Yep.
shirt. Like
Yep.
she's jacked.
Yeah. I hope she has continued with her skincare regimen and uses sunscreen.
Mhm.
No wrinkles. Be good. All right. I'm not telling you the time, Gabby. I'm just hitting play.
Sounds good.
Would you suggest to the jury that if you were in a similar situation and someone else acted surprised that the drugs weren't theirs, that you would necessarily always handle it this way?
Again, it's discretionary, not necessarily always. Generally, I'm very consistent. In this situation, I felt that there was legitimate reason that I shouldn't arrest him because I wasn't confident enough that he was aware.
But he convinced you that he wasn't aware, correct?
He did not convince me.
Well, he obviously did because you didn't arrest him, right?
No, my training and experience convinced me.
Okay. Well, this is a guy that tells you he's on probation, right?
Correct?
And this is a guy that was upset. Is that right?
Concerned.
Okay. And this is a guy that obviously, if you had charged him with possession of cocaine, that's a felony crime, isn't it?
Correct.
As a matter of fact, any amount of cocaine is a felony crime, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Whether it's the size of a thumb or 2.7 grams as you found in this case, right?
Yes. Sorry.
And when you say that his demeanor was very concerned, let me ask you as a general proposition, if someone is on probation and they do get caught with drugs and they could potentially face a violation of probation, that's a reason to be concerned, isn't it?
If someone is in possession, absolutely. He was not in possession.
And if someone is on probation and they are in possession or get caught with drugs and they're on probation, I think I said that twice, their life could be turned upside down, correct?
If he was in possession, yes. He was not in possession.
And the drugs were on or about his vehicle, is that correct?
Correct.
You talked with Ms. Parker about some things that Mr. Dippolito told you. Did he happen to tell you that there was some strange person staring at he and his wife at some point during their evening at City Place?
I don't remember that at all.
All right. If he had told you that, would you have put that in your report?
If I felt that there was relevance, sure.
Or if you felt that maybe the strange person put the drugs in the car or something like that?
I don't remember any strange person.
All right, so you don't remember. What I'm getting at is he didn't tell you anything about a strange person.
He may have. I don't remember.
All right. Well, let's take a look at your report.
Okay.
Do you have that in front of you?
I don't. Sorry.
Tell you what, I will come up there and we'll look at it together. I've got it with some colored marks and stuff, which will probably be
Perfect.
helpful. But take a look at the whole report first. That's your report, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, and I was given a copy of this by the state attorney's office.
Okay.
Okay, and that is your report, your name on the bottom?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anywhere in that report where Mr. Dippolito says to you or tells you or that you memorialize in writing that there was some strange person staring at he and his wife at some point while they were at City Place?
You said you highlighted that part for me?
No.
I'm sorry.
I said I have highlights on
Okay,
there.
okay.
No. I'm just asking you if in your report you make note of Mr. Dippolito telling you that there was a strange person that was staring at he and his wife.
No.
Okay, all right. But what you do make note of is that Mr. Dippolito thinks that it might be his ex-wife who was trying to get him in trouble. Is that
Yes,
correct?
correct.
And he clearly tells you that, and he clearly tells you and uses the term ex-wife, doesn't he?
Correct.
And in fact, he says that he thinks it's due to a recent divorce and his ex-wife's trying to get him in trouble.
Correct.
Okay. And he goes on and says that because he's on probation for a long time, he feels his ex-wife is trying to set him up so he goes to prison. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. And I think Ms. Parker asked you something about fingerprints. And even though you had nothing to do with the actual fingerprint testing, you learned about the fact that one of your crime scene investigators had lifted prints and the results were negative. Is that correct?
Correct.
In other words, they lifted prints or attempted to lift prints off the box and the things that you found. Is that right?
Correct.
Because if there were known prints after those prints were lifted, if they were able to be lifted, they could have been compared. Is that correct?
Correct.
Can I just have one?
Next witness?
The state would call Officer David Gilbert.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Please be seated, make yourself comfortable. And once you get settled in there, please tell us your name.
Officer Douglas C. Gilbert, Jr.
Gilbert.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so very much. Ms. Parker, you may proceed. Tell us where you're working with.
I work for the Boynton Beach Police Department, currently assigned to Road Patrol, Uniform Service Division.
Thank you. And how long have you been with the Boynton Beach Police Department?
Been with Boynton Beach Police Department 6 years and 2 months.
Do you have any prior law enforcement experience?
Yes, I do.
And what is that?
I did a little over 3 years with the New York City Police Department and a short time with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
Were you working at the Boynton Beach Police Department on May 27th of 2009?
Yes, I was.
Where were you assigned?
I was assigned to the Northwest District area on day shift road patrol.
And is Renaissance Commons in your district area?
It was that day, yes.
Did you get dispatched to 1329 Via de Pepe in Boynton Beach?
Yes, I did.
What time were you dispatched? Do you remember?
I believe it was 7:58 in the morning.
And why were you dispatched to that particular address?
I was dispatched to that location, reference a verbal threats complaint.
Who was present at the house when you got there?
When I arrived, Michael and Dalia Dippolito,
Who did you speak to?
both of them.
Who did the talking that morning?
Both did the talking, mostly Dalia did.
What was the demeanor of Mike Dippolito that morning when you arrived?
From the moment I met Mr. Dippolito, he was very nervous speaking to me about the occurrences. looked a little paranoid, troubled, a little anxiety.
And what about the defendant, Dalia Dippolito? What was
I didn't, Bobby. That's great. I love it.
Also, I feel like she would never break pasta because she doesn't need to. You know what I mean?
No, it just breaks in front of her. It's like, I'm sorry, broke.
She's like the female version of Chuck Norris.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Like she built the hospital that she was born in. You know what I mean?
By
Like,
herself.
by herself, and then she was born. You know?
Whatever, Gabby. You're just coping.
It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Okay?
Believe me. Darn it. Dang it. Whatever. It's fine.
Yeah,
She
he
slapped the
looks like-
doctor.
She did.
Came out, she was like, you cry. How'd you
Exactly.
like that? How'd that feel?
Yep. And then the doctor's like holding her by her foot, and the doctor's like, what? What?
She's like, get off me. And kicks him. He was assigned to the Blue Oyster Bar. was that from Police Academy? What movie was that from?
Blue Oyster Bar?
That's right. She'd tell the pasta to break and you just let it happen, Gabby.
No. You know. I'm not going to stop her.
She's
Jesus.
holding the doctor up by his foot and slapping him.
Haley, you're so right. She just walked right out of the womb.
She does earth down, not push-ups.
Yes, exactly.
Built a hospital from mother's womb. She would, in fact, make Gabby break the pasta, and Gabby would. Bet her dad cried when he saw what he did to her mom's kitty cat.
Did you say her baguette?
Kitty cat.
Called it a baguette. I was like, that's
No,
not a baguette.
that'd be weird. We all know what that means. We saw Baker's baguette.
That thing is so. I don't believe him that he doesn't. Yeah, he doesn't use that to make baguettes. He's
That's creepy.
A fibber. That thing is so veiny. That thing. I mean, no. Go on.
She came out 5 foot tall with a 6-pack.
Hell yeah.
And then the doctor was like, that's the last one, Mom. You can't have any more.
She basically destroyed the womb walking out of it.
Yes.
Clip.
I was right. I got the movie right for once in my life.
What'd you get right?
The movie, Blue Oyster Bar.
Oh.
I finally got one. Yes.
What was it?
Blue Oyster Bar. Police Academy.
No, okay.
That thing is so veiny. It is. It's gross.
It is. You obviously, I don't know if you've seen it, but
No one needed to see Baker's baguette. That's true. It is very
Yes.
true. That is what she said.
I love it when he pulled it out. And then he kept calling us, all of us, degenerates. I know, I did it again. I know.
Oh, I repeat you.
He did. And then he called all of us degenerates, but he's over there waving this pink, veiny, big thing. He's like, this is what I make baguettes with. It's like, no, you don't. Stop lying.
I can't save you. I can't save you.
You know what? I can't save myself.
What Bad Dazzer said.
Sorry, people, but not. If you know what I'm talking about. If you know.
Excuse me while I whip this out. That's a great movie. Freaking love it.
No, legit, he did. He whipped it
He
out.
pulled it out. Degenerate. It's in arm's reach of his desk, right off camera. I'm sure it is.
It really is.
I'm sure it is. I am sure it is. ain't reading that, Deidre.
Nice try, Deidre. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like he uses it a lot. I'm sure he does. Yep.
And she's like, yep.
Snipe. Mine is all the time also. All right. Gabby, you've been like this since you woke up this morning. Some days you just know
You
it's
know
going to be
what?
a good day.
Yeah. Because Bad Dadzer always like sees me in the morning, like in Discord. So he just like knows. And I really have. I've just been like this all day.
That's why I said some days you just know it's going to be a good day. I mean, that's really how baguettes look, except for the color.
And the veins,
And the veins.
Jesus. I mean, those were some. No, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it.
I don't think the colors. I think the color's okay.
Color's perfect. Veins, not so much.
Say it, Gabby. Say it before I break the pasta.
No.
She's like, I won't. All right. I think this schoolboy here is our last
I
witness.
got my finger on the red button.
I think
I'm sure you do.
Yep. Mm-hmm. There are actual ridges like that on baguettes. I've been to France.
Yeah, but not
Whoever that.
not like Baker. Not like the thing Baker had. Just
Oh,
how do I want to say this? Wagon in the wind? I don't know. You see what I'm
wagon
saying?
in the wind.
I don't know. Dang it. I mean, I don't know the right thing to say here.
Wagon in the wind.
At least 40% of what I just said tonight was clipped. So stay tuned, people. Friday night, Shinny's live.
I'm just gonna
You're
have to
hear it.
go into Baker's chat tomorrow and be like, "Are you wagging in the wind?" Because I heard you
You're
were.
really so lost.
You're just wagging
What
in the wind over here. Like, what's happening?
is wrong with you people?
He does look like a police explorer, and believe it or not, this isn't his first job. I'm like, you're
Yeah,
not
he
old
does.
enough to have other police officer jobs. Like,
Yeah.
he's like, I'm very serious. Look at me.
He looks like he's the assistant to the assistant
Yes.
office manager. You know what I mean? The
Yes.
assistant to the assistant. That's what he looks like. Like his certificate had little bears on it.
It's a special Yu-Gi-Oh card. I'm still looking through my files for shinies.
Some of the clips Bobby has of Shinny is it's friggin' hilarious.
Oh, she provides a lot of them. They're hilarious.
She does. I
The
love her.
answer, my friends, is wagging in the wind.
The answer?
Sheenies? What are you doing? Are you
Her
saying
knees? Are you saying her knees or she knees?
sheenies? Sheenies? What are you doing?
That just got clipped. I know it. Sheenies? Sheenies? Bees knees? She rubs her knees?
On the
Oh my
whole,
God.
oh, what? Helicopter? Wow, no, you guys stop it.
Helicopter. I heard it playing in my head. Oh my God.
Nope. No, I'm not saying it again. You can't make me. I can just do that.
I don't know, but all those S's make me want to say, I'm a snack. Snack. I just see this serious 12-year-old's face staring back at me. A snaky snake.
Why? Because you missed it? I'm not replacing that. I'm not.
You'll have to go back.
No, he said, replace this word I'm not replacing with that word that I'm not saying. It's simple. No.
I don't know what he's saying. Privately message it to me, Bobby, so I can understand.
I'm not saying it because I'm not getting clipped.
You're already clipped. Are you kidding me?
Clipping me. It's simple, Gabby. Period.
BB.
Gabby,
was like,
you know
Gabby?
what I'm saying.
No, I don't. I really don't. I swear. Scout's honor.
Shinny sneeze.
Shinny sneeze?
That's what she said.
Shitty knees? What?
Shinny
If this is a word problem thing, get out of here with it. I can't.
The Scouts are full of shit. Yes. They are. And play. I'm just hitting play.
What's her demeanor like?
She was concerned, but more calm than he was.
Now, what did you do once you got there and started speaking to them?
Once I arrived at the residence, I believe I was invited in by both of them to a first floor room. And Mr. Dippolito sat at a desk and Ms. Dippolito sat to my right. And I asked them to tell me pretty much why they had called me there and what was going on.
Did you ask for a written statement from anyone?
Through the course of the investigation, I did.
And who did you ask to write a written statement?
I asked Mr. Dippolito to fill out the statement.
And did he write out a statement?
No, he didn't.
What happened?
He indicated that he was too nervous to fill the statement out, and it was later filled out by Mrs. Dippolito.
Did he dictate the statement word for word?
Some of it.
Do you have an opinion about who was kind of in charge that day when you arrived to the house at Via de Pepe?
Judge, I'm going to object on relevancy. It's irrelevant as to who's in charge, so you both dictated the statement.
Can we approach him?
No, overruled.
Who do you think was in charge that day?
I want to say, because of Mr. Dippolito's demeanor, I want to say Dalia was more in charge of what was going on. She knew more. She was able to communicate the story better to me.
During your conversation with the Dippolitos that morning, did you find out if Mike Dippolito, was on probation?
Yes, he volunteered that information to me.
And did they tell you about any suspicious incidents prior to May 27th of 2009 involving Mike Dippolito?
Yes, they told me about several suspicious occurrences that happened to both of them.
What did you learn?
I learned of at least three suspicious occurrences that happened to Mr. Dippolito, one of which was an incident that occurred at the Ritz-Carlton. I don't have an exact date. From my recollection, it was a complaint, anonymous complaint, that he had narcotics, I believe, in his truck. And Manalapan police were called to the Ritz-Carlton to investigate it. Subsequent to that, there was a second complaint that Mr. Dippolito had narcotics, I believe, while they were dining at City Place here in West Palm.
In the note written by the defendant, is there a mention of a Detective Hurley?
In the note written by,
I'm sorry, in the statement. I apologize.
Yes.
In the statement written by the defendant.
In the sworn statement, there is an indication of Detective Hurley.
Is there a Detective Hurley that works at the Boynton Beach Police Department?
Not that I know of, no.
Have you ever known of a Detective Hurley to work there during your 8 years?
6, no.
Or 6, I'm sorry. So once you spoke to them, did they show you a note that they had received on their gray Tahoe.
Yes.
What did they tell you?
Mr. Dippolito, from my recollection, indicated that he had located a note on the Tahoe and I believe it said for him to leave a sum of money by a vehicle. I'd have to look at the note exactly to just refresh my memory.
Okay, Your Honor, may I approach witness?
Yes.
Exhibit 17. Do you recognize State's Exhibit 17?
Yes, I do.
What is that?
That is a note that Mr. Dippolito indicated was on his truck.
And is that the original or is that a copy?
Appears to be a copy.
Has that been altered in any way from when, well, let me back up. Did you ever take that note? Did the Dippolitos ever give you that note on May 27th of 2009?
Yes.
And what did you do with it?
I took the note and I submitted it as an attachment with this case, and I submitted it at the end of my shift to the sergeant's office day shift paperwork, what would go through what's called a transmittal.
Now, is the copy that you have in front of you, is that the same note that you kept with you and put in your records on May 27th of 2009?
Yes.
Has it been altered in any way?
I don't believe so.
Your Honor, at this time, the state would move into evidence State's Exhibit 17. It's a copy.
I have no objection.
State 17 in evidence without objection.
Can you please, actually, if I could just publish that to the church? I'll keep asking questions. Was there a phone number on the note? Do you remember?
Yes.
And did you have a conversation with them specifically about the content of the note?
I don't remember. I remember taking the note. I don't remember a conversation about it. I'm sure I did. I don't recall exactly what it was.
Did you ever tell either one of them to call the number that was on the note?
I don't believe I told them to call the number.
How did you classify this investigation?
When I left the residence and I put the investigation together, given the circumstances of all the different occurrences, I classified it as a suspicious incident.
And when you left the residence, did you ever tell them to contact you again?
I may have told them to contact me again if there was any other suspicious type occurrences that were happening to them pertaining to this case. That way I could update my case with it.
Now, did there come a time where you changed the classification from a suspicious incident to something else?
Yes, several days later.
What did you do?
I spoke to Dalia Dippolito, who provided me with some other information that I believe she received a phone call from that number in question. And there was threats of harm during the phone conversation with her and the person on the other end. And I didn't have many leads to go on, reference that. So given the circumstances, I then changed the report, the classification of it to phone threats, which is a criminal matter.
You said threats of harm. Did she tell you specifically what the person on the other end of the phone told her?
I believe they threatened to kill her.
Did she tell you if Mike Dippolito owed anyone $40,000 at the time he received this note on his truck?
Don't think she told me. I just what was written in the note.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
Yes.
Showing you states exhibit 3B.
You're so much trouble. Thanks.
I just looked down and I was like, wait, is that AJ? I was like, no, that's Bobby.
That's great. That's great.
Safa. Safa, AJ.
Uh-huh. That's fine.
Whoa,
That's
buddy.
fine.
Wagging in the wind.
That's fine.
Wait, let me see the picture actually.
No,
let me
it's
pull it up.
I'm just like staring off, looking, listening. Great. It's great. It's great.
I'm gonna take a snapshot and send it to you.
Oh no, I don't need it. I'm just gonna start doing my streams like this. Then you can suffer.
Safa. You just like mer in the
Yeah.
picture.
I'll just be back here now. Not nice, Bobby. I was back here crying. You won't see it. It's fine.
Actually, it's pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like it.
I would never expect you to. I almost look as bitchy as Dalia does.
Not even possible, to be honest with you.
I don't know. Her and I don't look much alike. Her and I don't look much alike. Much different from that picture to that picture. I'm telling you. All right. We're so close. Getting there.
Can you please flip through those records to May 27th of 2009 at 8:03 in the morning?
Yeah, Shani, that's right. He could have clipped a smile. It's not like I haven't been smiling and laughing, but he didn't. It's mean. I think she's bored in life.
Oh, I'm sorry. I said 8:03, 8:02.
8:02.
8:02 and 53 seconds.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm on the 26th.
5:27.
May 27th. 8:02, you said?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you see on those records phone number 305-764-1767
Yes.
show up? Tell me about that call that you're looking at.
That matches the number that's in the notes, in
Okay.
the note.
Okay. And who calls the 305 number? What number?
Uh, 561-703-9453.
Okay. And does it say what the duration is of that call?
Outbound. I'm sorry, I'm just following the line here.
The column that says duration.
Yes, 32 minutes.
Okay. Now, skip down to May 27th.
The same objection, I don't know if that's minutes or seconds. Yeah.
Does it say minutes or does it just say 32?
It just says a number 32 under duration.
Right. Sustained.
Skip down to 5/27/2009 at 9:21 a.m.
Okay.
Do you see another call from phone number 561-703-9453?
Yes.
And what number does that cell phone call?
On that date in question at 9:21, the number called is 305-764-1767.
Now, in the middle column there, where it says dial digits, is there a 3-digit code before the 305, before the phone number starts?
Yes,
What is that 3-digit code?
that would be B as in Bravo 67.
Does that mean anything to you?
Without knowing the phone company, it could mean blocked.
Okay. And what is in the duration column of that particular phone call? What's the number there?
On that date and time in question, the number 40.
Now, have you skipped down to May 27th, 2009 at 10:01 a.m.? Do you see a phone call from area code 561-703-9453?
Yes.
And what number does that phone call?
There's two under that same time.
Okay, and
The second one?
the one at 10:01 and 56, thank you.
Yes.
What number does a 703 call?
At 10:01 and 56 seconds, the number called is 305-764-1767.
What's the duration there?
42.
And is that the same phone number as is on the note?
Yes.
Now, on May 27th at 11:36 a.m., does the 305 number contact the 703 number?
Yes.
And what is the duration of that call, just in numbers?
152.
And on 5/27 of 2009 at 12:22 p.m.,
Me too, Deidre.
does the 305 number call the 703 number?
I'm sorry, at 11:36, you said?
At 12:22.
At 12, oh, I gotta flip the page. Yes, the 305, and the same number calls 703-9453.
And what is the duration of that call?
53.
Every one of those calls that you referred to, do they all have the numerical code in front of them, B67?
In the dial digits, yes.
You're under permission to publish?
Yes.
Let's go ahead and take about 5 minutes. We'll go take about a 5-minute break.
Okay.
All right, we'll take a 5-minute break. I'll give you 10 minutes. Let's make it 10. And Ms. Parker, you may resume.
Do you still have the records in front of you?
Yes.
On May 27th of 2009 at 11:41 a.m., does the number to the Boynton Beach Police Department appear on those phone records in front of you?
Yes, they appear on the called dial digits.
Can you step down with the court's permission and just point to it on the screen?
Yes.
Sure, come on down. And right on this side of the witness stand is a little pointer stick kind of stuck in the little crack there. If you want to use that, make it easier for you to help.
A little pointer stick
sorry.
stuck in a little crack. Okay.
There's a little stick stuck in a crack over there. Are you kidding me? What is happening? What is happening? Pointer stick. Your little crack.
How insulting.
Yeah. Just a little guy.
Haley, little pointer stick in the crack. Get the wood out of the crack.
Oh my God, this judge.
Get your little stick.
A little pointer stick there, bud.
Is the crack in the front or the back?
Oh my goodness.
I hope he holds it like a pool stick. That'll be funny.
I hope he does too. I hope he has chalk in his pocket and pulls it out and chalks the stick real quick.
This dude looks like the kid from Sling Blade, all grown up.
He does. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
A little dill pickle stuck in the crack.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Judge. He's like, they'd been quiet for a while.
Little dill pickle.
Little dill pickle. He's like, okay, but look on his face. It's like, are you guys done now? Because I'm trying to be serious over here. My mom wants me home by dinner time. Okay. flip the switch, not helicopter. Helicopter. I know I'm probably saying that wrong because I don't know how to say it. Pound it, magic dill pickle. Snipe.
I love it. That was beautiful. Thank you.
He would have never said that if he didn't have Dalia's boobs as his picture.
Yeah, he's like a rock.
She'll unalive you. She'll unalive you, Snipe.
That's true, kid.
Oh my gosh. I can't. That's
Oh, meow, 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 meow.
okay. See, I knew you needed to read it. You would know how to read it because I'm just like, I don't know how to read it.
He's trying to be French.
French fried taters and mustard. Mm-hmm.
French fried taters and mustard. Good Lord.
All right. It's like the judge is looking down like, did I really just tell that young man to go get that little stick stuck in the crack over there?
He told him to go fishing right out of the crack.
He's like, I did. He's like, I'm just going to look down now for a while. Well, he points that thing around. That's fine.
Wee wee.
Wee wee. Whoops.
2009 there was 11. That would be this line right here.
And is that the only time that the number to the Boynton Beach Police Department shows up on those phone records on that day?
On this day in question, yes.
Now, you said the defendant had called you back. Did she tell you when she called you that she actually is the one who called the phone number that was listed on the note that you took?
Why is he staring at us like that?
I believe the number called her. I don't recall on that for sure.
Did she tell you that she spoke to the person on more than one occasion?
Judge, I'm going to object. He just testified he doesn't remember what Mr. Dippolito said. If it was her.
Well, Judge, you said he didn't remember if she said she called or he called. I'm asking if she said more than once.
Also facts not known.
I'll sustain the objection, ask you to rephrase the question.
Okay. You can have a seat. Okay, you reviewed those phone records. They're here published in front of the jury.
Yes.
Do you see phone calls on those records where the defendant's phone called the 305 number on more than one occasion?
Oh, yes.
Did she tell you when you spoke to her that she called the number on the note on more than one occasion?
I have a supplemental report if I can just look at that.
Sure, if you need to refer to
Yes,
something
I
before
do.
you answer, that's fine.
I have a supplemental report. If I could just look at that, because I'm a robot.
Jessica Rodriguez.
I don't laugh at anything. I'm very serious.
According to the supplemental report that I did, she indicates that the number called her on one, according to what I have, one occasion.
Okay,
This report.
thank you very much. I have no further questions.
I don't know.
Supplemental.
I don't know the correct answer for that, Bobby. So I will neither confirm nor deny.
What the hell was that? Did you see him do the nose signal?
Yeah, I don't know. He was like, oh, I ran into Mike in the hallway.
No, he's like, anyone else got a bump?
The gel use in this trial is top tier. Enough for
Right?
all of us for the rest of our
Right?
lives.
Officer Gilbert, let me ask you a couple of questions about your aspects of this investigation. The report was documented as a suspicious occurrence and then classified at one point as phone threats. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you were dispatched on May 27th, 2009 to the Via de Pepe residence. Is that right?
That's correct.
What's
And
that
that
guy
was
doing?
regarding threats or suspicious occurrences,
I heard
correct?
that too.
Correct.
And that was the first time that you were ever there. Is that right?
And
That
when
is
he
correct.
said it,
And
the bent
when you
over.
got there, one of the
Too much.
Right when he said aspects, the bailiff bent over.
I know what's going on with them.
This trial's been full of butts, just crazy cracks. There's just been like so
Little
many
sticks.
insanes.
Like, is that woman's bright pink shirt too bright to be
Oh,
sitting
yeah.
in the front row? Like, what's going on?
Pepe
Pepe Le
Rica.
Pew. We got Pepe Rique, and then we got
Pepe
Pepe La whatever they lived on. Pepe Le Pepe Street. Deputy bent over.
Yeah.
You're under
I
arrest.
bet you. I wonder if his name is Ben.
This is definitely the trial of the double entendre.
Mm.
That guy on the stand's like, is not.
1, 2, 3, not me.
things that you noticed was that Michael Dippolito was particularly nervous during the interaction with you initially. Is that right?
Yes.
That hit you right away, didn't it?
Yes.
And as a matter of fact, Michael Dippolito indicated that when you asked him about a statement, he was too nervous to write the statement. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And he wanted to have his wife transcribe it for him. Is that correct?
Yes.
And it wasn't his wife that told you that he was too nervous. He told you that himself. Is that right?
That's correct.
And then he goes on and tells you about some of the things that had happened to him. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, with respect to the $40,000 note that's introduced into evidence, Mr. Dippolito tells you about that as well?
He did make her move. He moved her a row back. Hot pink is she's sitting back further now. French cats have fleas. Random. Okay.
Yes.
And your actual impression in your report of Mr. Dippolito was that he was not just nervous, but I think you took it to the point of saying that he was overly paranoid. Is that correct?
That would be correct.
And you noticed nervous mannerisms about him. Is that right?
Yes.
And every time he told you about, as he was telling you about these things, you noticed these mannerisms. Is that right?
Yes.
But besides the paranoia, he was also a little uneasy talking to you, wasn't he?
Slightly, yes.
Now, Mr. Dippolito told you that he was involved with some people who were recently arrested and actually linked to organized crime, correct?
Correct. He volunteered that information.
And you later speak to his wife, who adds additional information. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Now, as he does his statement, I know that you said on direct examination that he dictated the statement and that she helped him out a little bit. Did she dictate the statement because of his nervousness?
I would say so.
And you heard him dictating it word for word to his wife. Is that correct?
He dictated most of it to his wife. There were periods of time that I recall that Mrs. Dippolito was writing and he wasn't saying anything.
But the majority of it was done by him. Is that correct?
Yes.
He never told you that the reason she was writing it was because he had bad handwriting, did he?
He didn't say anything about that.
far as you were concerned, as long as he swore that everything on paper was correct, it didn't matter who wrote it. Is that right?
That's correct.
And there was something that struck you a little odd or unusual when you were at their home. Isn't that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And he had an outdoor surveillance camera, and that's what struck you a little odd. Is that right?
Yes.
And it struck you odd because no other residents in that neighborhood had one, correct?
Correct. In that block of townhomes, I didn't see any other residents with one.
All right. Now, once he told you that he was nervous and that he had a criminal past, you really thought that the camera was a little odd, correct?
It was a little peculiar, yes.
Now, the $40,000 note, did that go to the lab, to your knowledge, for any type of analysis, fingerprints, anything of that nature?
I do not believe it did.
I'm sorry?
I do not believe it did.
Now, we talked about some phone calls. Well, and we talked about some phone calls. And I just kind of want to ask you a couple of questions about those calls, the ones that we had up on the board there. On direct examination, there were 5 calls that we talked about. Is that correct?
I'm sorry, I'd have to see it again. I know
Okay.
there was at least more than 1 or 2.
All right. But you went through the duration of those calls, remember? And you said that by looking at the sheet, that the first call, an outbound call, was 32 seconds. Is that right? Or 32 is the number you assigned to it?
32 was the number. It didn't indicate seconds or minutes.
Okay. And you're indicating that whatever happened was 32 seconds, not that there was any conversation or what the conversation was. Is that right?
That's correct.
And when you indicate 32 seconds, if there was conversation, you can't say who was on the phone, correct?
That's correct.
The second call, I think you assigned the number of 42, or not, you didn't assign it. That was on that sheet. Once again, you don't know if there was conversation or whether or not, or who was speaking during that conversation, correct?
Correct.
And you don't know who used whose phone, if any. You don't know who was on the phone or who was on somebody's line. Is that correct?
Correct.
Same thing with the third call where you assigned a number to it of 42. Is that right?
Correct.
Now, how do you come up with that B67 is block?
Well, again, I'm not for certain. I would presume that that's an identifier of the phone company without having direct knowledge of it.
Now, those fourth and fifth calls, that was the number calling a phone that was the number calling a phone that appears to be calling that number that you talked about, that 305 number. Is that correct?
Well, I don't have.
Let me get the exact
I'm
number.
sorry, I can't. I need to see him.
Apparently from the records, there's the fourth call that went to a phone number of 561-703-9453. Those calls were also blocked, correct? I think we talked about that block or that B again.
Well, again, I'm not looking at the records. I don't want to say for sure without looking at the records.
Okay. Let me just ask you, assuming that it was blocked, whoever's calling from that number then would try to be blocking the number, correct?
Correct. If they're trying to block it, yes.
Now, after you spoke to them, let me just get the note for a second. You're familiar, of course, with the contents of the note. Is that right?
Yes, I have
You
personal.
got a copy up there with you?
Yes,
Where
sir.
it gives you a time and an amount and everything like that. Is that correct?
Yes.
Did you ever tell Mike Dippolito to go out there and watch the parking space to see what went on?
I don't recall saying that to him.
Did Mike Dippolito ever indicate to you that he was going to do that or that he did that?
I don't believe that occurred.
You don't believe that occurred?
I don't recall. It was 2 years ago. I don't believe that he did that.
Okay, so what you're telling me is Mike Dippolito never said to you, I went and watched the spot. I was curious. I wanted to see what was going on.
I cannot for certain say that he told me that.
You wouldn't have instructed him to do that?
No.
Ever, would you?
No.
Why not?
Dangerous.
I just need a second. Dangerous based upon the fact that your work involved threats and things like that, right?
That's correct.
And you wouldn't want someone in Mike Dippolito's position to do that, right?
I wouldn't want to put somebody in harm considering the circumstances.
Especially someone that appeared paranoid to you, right?
Yes, correct.
Someone that appeared so scared about this thing that he couldn't even write anything out and had to have his wife write it, correct?
Correct.
You certainly wouldn't think a person going out and watching this would be appropriate, right?
That'd be correct.
Thank you.
Ms. Parker, anything else?
Hey, Rob.
All right, thank you very much, Officer Gilbert. You're excused. Have a nice afternoon. Next witness.
This day we call Meyer Cohen.
Not till
The state would
tomorrow.
call-
State. Not till tomorrow.
The state would call nobody ever. Thank you.
Also, I stole a degree from one of y'all because it was 20. It was 13. Now it's 20. Now it's 21.
It's 14 here.
And Ronnie, I don't know where I can't remember where you're at in Texas, but Dallas may get an ice storm. And way south is supposed to get ice possibly, but it's going to be cold.
I think Ronnie is near Carmen. She's still Central Time.
Carmen's, well, Texas is huge. It's all central.
Well, yeah. Oh, I didn't know. I don't know.
I think. No, some points got to switch over to mountain.
Ah, see?
Somewhere in there it's mountain, but there is no specific.
Pacific?
Specific. But yeah, no, we're supposed to maybe or maybe not get a winter storm, but you may or may not get one too, because it said it may build into a nor'easter, which I figure your nor'easter.
Let me look. Weather. What's the weather?
But they don't know yet. Like, I just saw in my little, I saw yesterday that it might happen, and then it's like news for you at the bottom of my screen. A winter storm, a major winter storm, like may or may not get me this weekend. Okay, like I already know that. Oh, so
Not
you're
showing
farther.
anything.
Yeah, you would be after the.
Tomorrow is 29. Thursday, 45. Beautiful.
It's the weekend. It's the weekend.
Yeah.
Or after
Friday, 30, 35, sunny.
You would be
Saturday,
probably Sunday or Monday.
Sunday. Oh, wait, it says Sunday, 15. Hold on. 3 to 5 inches. Great. Thanks.
You're welcome. I do what I can. Oh, well, this guy's. Alrighty.
But you never know. Sunday is far off for us. It could shift.
Oh, I know. That's why I don't know why if we're going to get snow or if we're not going to get snow. I think it's going to snow. It's just going to depend on the track that it takes on how much snow we're going to get. Hello, Wendy. How are you? It's been a little nutty in here today. I think that's probably a good way to sum up this stream. A little Gabby told me to suck on a tea bag, and then it's just kind of went from there. I can't help that you don't see Wendy. I cannot help it.
Are you on all live chat? All messages? Go out and come back in. That's what she said. But
Oh my gosh. All right. Well, we did better tonight. No, I don't have snow. Nope. It actually was really nice here until over the weekend. It got freaking cold and it's just been that way. But we haven't had snow for a while. But I think the ground's at least frozen. I gave all the snow to Gabby.
yeah, we got a last snowstorm a couple days ago. We got, or the other day, can't remember. I don't know. Yeah, we probably got 5 inches.
Well, I have none. No inches.
0 inches. Must be. Never mind.
Thank you, Shani. You did get it. You got it. We did say that. And yep.
Don't forget Snipe's certificate.
Oh yeah, 8 inches.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mr. Gabby.
When I went outside before, Mr. Gabby talked to me. He's like, he's laughing in the other room because he can hear me laughing in here. And
sorry, then in the card. Uh-oh. Sorry.
Oh crap.
I'm listening to you. Did you send me snow in the Discord?
Oh boy. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I mean, you have the certificate to prove it.
I don't have any snow. What'd she send? Where is it? That's AJ during her stream. Ronnie.
Wait, what? Who said what? Oh, wait. I think I saw that. Yeah. Yep. I did see that one. Yeah, you're like.
Oh, I was thinking she was calling me that. What side I put in there? She was calling me that too.
You're flipping around the, pencil. Hilarious.
Holy crap. That woman is built.
That woman is I don't even know.
Wagon in the wind.
She's a human origami. Look at her.
I'm looking at all your helicopters. Oh my gosh.
Every time I think about, like, if I was a guy for a day, I would be that elephant.
Well, that girl's just disturbing.
Yeah. I mean, she's a human origami. She's folded in half.
Oh my gosh. Does the defense's case hold water? No. That poor elephant.
Takes practice. No, that elephant's having the best time of its life. Are you kidding me?
And that helicopter just turned upside down is exactly one of the reasons I don't fly in helicopters. And I never will.
I don't know, but I mean, I'm pretty flexible. I could probably do it.
You could bend over like that girl at the side of the pool, on the porch, on the deck, whatever.
What do they call that in gymnastics? It's a
Weird.
no, it's
Gonna make you hurt when you're older.
It's a something bridge is what it's called. I can't remember
I
the
think,
technical term.
she's doing a little more than that. She's
No, yeah,
I could
she's
do the
she's an
bridge.
ex-
We're not. I mean,
she's
I
an
can't now.
extreme. She's like,
But she's like folded in half.
yes. It's like when you're getting ready to send a letter and you have to fold it for it to fit in the envelope.
It's like something. Yeah, a contortionist.
Yes. Yep.
Ugh. But you know, I'm telling you, they pay for it when they're older because their bodies are like, I was never ever meant to move like that.
Yeah,
Now you
she's like a
still pay.
pretzel, a human pretzel.
Yes. My ex could do that. In fact, that's how we met. And why is she your ex? Like, does she stop doing that? You have to tell me. I'm
Bobby
just kidding.
Bobby goes to the circus and he's like, I gotta meet her.
Yep. So is Madison. She has hypermobility, and it's like
I do too. Yeah.
we are trying to get that stopped so that because my son does in his shoulders, and we never even thought about it when he was younger, and he would just like all the time could take his arms all the way around, and now he's paying for it. Like, yeah, I wish I would have known to not have you do that. Oh, thanks, Wendy.
Yeah, that's so nice. Thank you.
Bobby, I miss you. That's Wendy saying that. Just so you know, Bobby, I'm mad at you. Also, hi, ladies. Oh, thanks, Wendy. I appreciate it. I'm still relatively flexible for an old lady that don't work out. I am not. Nobody can be
Nobody
mad
can
at
be
me.
mad.
Them's the rules. Nobody can be mad at me. I made that rule. That's fine. I'm not. It's fine. All right. So well, as far as I know, I'll be here tomorrow unless something weird happens. So far,
Okay.
I haven't heard from anybody. So
Well, I'll check with you before I post the live.
yeah, I mean, I've got it ready to go. So I just have to make it public. But
Oh, I saw that. I was like, wait, which one? Because usually it's the bottom one.
No, I did it on purpose. I did it so they're in order this week,
Nice.
this next few days. So tomorrow we have some tech guy that's not Dave, because we all know Dave's not here. And Dawn Hurley, and I can't remember who she is, and I may not have looked her up.
Yeah, remember? She was the one that Mikey D said she was weird because her name was weird.
I
Hurley.
think. Wait. Oh, Hurley.
Remember?
Some weird name.
I was like, really weird? That's weird? That's weird to you, Mikey D?
Hurley.
Out of everything that happened to you, that was the weird
That was the
part?
weird thing. Hurley being their last name. So we got a tech dude and Hurley.
Yeah. It's nice. Is she even real?
No, I don't think so. Fortune Femster.
Wait, what? Is your daughter that famous comedian?
If she's having a secret life, maybe. But I think she would tell me. She tells me everything. Or she would tell Gabby. She would tell one of us.
Yeah, I would definitely know if that was her, and it's definitely not her, because if she was famous as a comedian, no.
I mean,
Just no.
She could be, but she couldn't keep it a secret.
She doesn't have time for
No, she
something
doesn't.
like that.
Well, as far as we know.
Well, I'm telling you.
I mean, is she really
you know.
going to the jail, or is she just going to get
Is
material?
she going to the jail, or is she on tour right now?
Yeah, like jail
Carmen,
school. Who ever heard of such a thing?
You better stop it right now if you're on tour and I don't know about it. Unbelievable.
She would tell us. She would tell us.
She would have been like, I just sold 180 tickets, Bash.
Yeah, she might be telling jokes at the jail, but I'm saying she's going to to get material.
Oh, she's
Yes, the sports story is making her famous, and trust me, there's a few
Yes.
others that I know of that didn't happen in Texas that are good. So
Yeah. She's definitely telling jokes at the jail. That's for sure.
is Carmen, I was gonna say, is Carmen capable of having a secret life? She's very, hey, look at this.
Yeah.
She can keep a secret when she has to. When it comes to law enforcement, she can keep secret if she has to. That you can count on. But most of the stuff she doesn't have to. So it's like, yeah, here, look, Spork. I can tell that story. We don't know who that Spork lady is, nor do we want to.
Or a carrot. What's up, Doc?
So, all right, I have a new shorter outro.
Oh, what?
I know. So you don't have to type "oh, piece of candy," at least not tonight.
Oh, all right.
I adjusted the volume, but it still seemed loud. So I apologize if it comes on and blasts your eardrums out, but it's 34 seconds. Y'all can manage.
All right.
But other than that, thank you everyone for hanging out, making this fun. We didn't have dinner. Carrots for dinner was classic. It was something. That's my daughter. Most of the time, I claim her. I claim her all the time. I have to. Anyway, but we'll be back tomorrow at 6 p.m. As far as I know, nobody's called me about dinner. I may not be invited anymore. I have no idea. It is what it is, and it's fine. I'll be fine.
Well, if you can make it up here, you're always welcome here.
Thanks. One day I will. Not when you're getting this crappy weather, though. So
No, definitely not.
But we'll be back with 2 more. This guy just looks super engaging for tomorrow.
Fabulous.
Here's a sneak preview.
Holy friggin' woodchuck. What the heck is happening there? That's what I'm hearing from that picture.
He's up first. Tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern time. We can do it. We're gonna
Yay. Forget about it.
He's a tech man. He's gonna give us some tech.
Haley, what's her name? Oh my god. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck?
If a woodchuck. That was held?
Yes, it was. It was ridiculous. Yeah.
Come on.
You wouldn't even believe half the stuff that gets held.
Oh my gosh.
Mutton chop.
I can eat at Wendy's house too. Wow, I got one on each
cool.
coast. I'm not
Yeah, of
gonna
course.
starve. Yay.
Never.
Judo
chop? He ate all the pies. But he ate them like, nah. I feel like he makes that noise on a regular.
Oh, chicken marsala. Dang it.
Nice.
Leftovers. Leftover food. Whatever. With rice and asparagus. Dang.
Yep. Haley knows. I mean, Heidel knows.
Yeah, no, it's dumb. I quit.
It's so dumb.
Sometimes Gabby and I are sitting here trying to just get stuff through because it's so much as being hailed. It's just being hailed. It's hail, fire, and brimstone. I tell you right now.
It's hail.
We're all gonna burn. So watch it because we're approving those messages as fast as we possibly can.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's it. Let's So, God.
That's
damn
it. That's it. Exactly.
That's right. All right. See you guys all later. I hope this plays right. And I'm sorry if it busts your eardrums. I will fix it if I have to. So,
Bye.
bye.
Got a thought, grab a stick of wood. Writes real good like a pencil should. No loading screens, no need to charge. Just graphite dreams drawn large. Pencils rule, let's state the case. They make mistakes, then erase. Clicker on classic, sharp or dull. Tiny tool doing wonderful. When the world goes dark and the Wi-Fi ends, I'll still be riding with my pencil friend.